Yo, chat, what up? Music fire? I know, man, that shit gas. This music is gas. It's the most fire music I've seen in my life. Water tastes good this morning, man. Good morning, chat. How you doing today? Can I make a question, Don, or DJ? I mean, you just wasted your question right then and there. You could just ask the question. No permission. Can you do something for me, man, chat? I think this year YouTube's gonna allow you to play copyright music again, though, so I'm just gonna wait for that. We all know how long YouTube takes for things, right? They take a very long time. But I believe and trust. My trust is in YouTube. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wait, what is this? Hello. Okay. Hello. What's that sound in the background when I talk? Fix that. Hello. This is impressive. Really. Hello. My check. Nope. What is this? My check. Definitely not that. Oh, the gate. 39, okay. My check. Hello. My check. 39. Okay. My check. Okay, definitely not that. Attack. My check. Hello. Okay. 90, 140, 190, 180. Interesting. I don't know what is that. Hello. You guys know what's the difference here, chat? Is there a difference? My check. My check. 120, 200. My check. Okay, where's my speed? It's like a little behind it. I guess this is how the mic is, honestly. It's fine. My mic's working. I know my mic's working, but I want it to work better, you know? You know what I'm saying? I want it to work a little better. Whoa. My camera's not up. Nothing's up right now. What's going on? Alright. Good. And then you're gonna have nice green, which is not up. Not sure why. The capture. There you go. Record. Cool. My camera now is the issue. Now where is my camera? Let's go figure it out right now. There you go. What up, chat? Good morning. We are live. Good morning, guys. Sorry for a little delay. I was updating my OBS today, and then I was also fixing the mic. So, yeah. We're live now, though. Bro, forgot how to stream. Yeah, I feel like a long weekend or something for some reason. I feel like a very long weekend. I haven't looked at the charts since Friday, so like usually I'm on like Sunday. Usually I look at the charts, but I did not look at the charts at all. So this is the first time since Friday. NFT day. It's good though. Whatever is happening right now, cool though. Here good, some decent volume. Should be a pretty decent day to the chat. Now, let's get into the analysis. Not waste no more time here. All right. So, make sure I pin everyone in Discord. I'm live right now. All right. So, music too loud? I figured. There we go. Should be better now. Should be good now. Good chat. So, today is what do you call it? Today is January 9th, 2023, which means that it is a Monday. It's the first day back this week. I think today, in terms of like news and all that good stuff, I don't think you have. Let me fix the camera. So there's a lot of stuff that I changed over the weekend to make a video. All right. Yeah. Chat. So there's no news today or anything like that. You have all yellow folders today. No USD news, which I don't really see. As for tomorrow, you got Fed Chair Powell speaks at 9 a.m. And then on Wednesday, you got nothing. And then, or maybe 10-year bond auction at 1 p.m., which is irrelevant to us. January 12th, you got CPI, core CPI, and then unemployment claims. Friday, you got prelim, consumer sentiment. And then I think that for the week, that's about it. That's all we have for news, which is a pretty chill week. You know, I love weeks like this. And then Monday's a bank holiday again. For what? Oh, Martin Luther King Jr. Day? Word, okay, you're cool, chat. So Monday's a bank holiday. I did not know. Next week's a short week. Wow, just like that. We're halfway through the month. Now, all right, let's get into the charts real quick and let's see what I've got going on. Just send the Zoom link to the chat real quick. Boom, boom. Participants. Meet. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so let's take a look. I believe chat start with GJ or gold? Let's do GJ first, because you know, GJ. Let's take a look at the charts real quick. You're gonna see the first thing I'm gonna notice is that GJ closed bullish. Now, this is what I was telling you guys about last week. I think on from Wednesday to Friday, I was telling you guys about this weekly candle closure. You really needed a closure on a weekly this week, because this week's closure would have given you direction, or sorry, last week's candle closure, which closed on Friday, would have given you direction for the weeks to come on GJ, right? Because now you have this weekly closure on GJ, and you're gonna notice that it closed bullish here right at the support level. So it closed bullish, respecting this level here to the left hand side. So since it's respecting that level, there's a high chance that price will likely pop up now to fill the top of the next range. Now, where is the next range, you may ask? I don't know, but what I do know is that there is a amount of resistance here, right? Because we don't know how high it's going to drive. It can drive tap this resistance to reject here, or it can drive towards this resistance here. But what will give us that information to where it will drive to will be the smaller time frame. So you're looking at the daily, you're looking at the 4-hour time frame, the 1 hour. Those are the time frames you're taking into account here to kind of put pieces together to picture the weekly here for us, right? So you have that on the weekly on GJ. Obviously we're bullish for this week, right? What I will say is that last time you closed bullish at support here, right, you kind of popped up and filled the top of the range here. So we came up, tap these levels to the left. Now price can definitely do that, but we shall see on a smaller time from this week what price has in store for us. So let's drop down to daily. The day today is pretty bullish. You had a nice daily candle closure that it closed, you can say, like, prices, honestly, it created a support right around here, and then there's a resistance here. Now the interesting thing is, what's like, is there a level here? And what I'm looking at, there is a level here. I do know it's a level here. It's right where I drew it at 160. I believe once the daily candle actually closes above here, or after it closes above here, you have a much better direction on price, because at any given point today, you know what can happen? Price can literally just reject this resistance to drive back down, because it's kind of that resistance, right? So I mean, overall we're still bullish for a day on GJ. Target was initially like 162, 100. I believe that target should get tapped today, and if I'm looking for buys today on GJ, I will probably start hunting for buys above let's see, what's this, 161.044. Yeah, it seems like there is a amount of resistance here, and I believe if you do close above this resistance, you could probably pop up and tap 161.711. In that case, it should be yeah. So you close above 161.146, you should make your way up towards like 161.697, right? I believe that range going up is around 53 pips. Perfect, right on. 53 pip range going up. All right, chat. So I'll wait for that if I were you guys. And then as of right now, you are forming a support level right around here, because this is the most recent support, right? So you can assume it's there, or maybe you can even add down here at 165.09 again. As of right now, this looks like this is a support, so I'll just mark it off of here. If price does drop down steeper, then we'll create that, we'll move our support down towards there or whatever. But right now, this is the range we're in, from this resistance right to this support. So whatever happens in this range for us is untouchable. You want to just avoid this range, and then maybe catch a piece of the buys once we actually break above this resistance, above 161.146. All right, so if I'm looking for positions today on GJ, I'll avoid with the red, whatever's in the red, and I'll look for positions above 161.146. Cool, chat. Cool. That's what I will look for if I were you guys. All right. Pretty sure for a day, just avoid this range, wait for a closure above. It's a Monday, it's the first week, it's the first day back. Don't force any setups, let them come to you. I know, you know, it's the weekend, you're coming out of like the gates, and you just want to crush the week. But remember, if you crush the week, you have to be patient. That's how you crush the week. You don't crush the week by forcing trades and winning trades, right? You crush the week by sticking to your plan and staying disciplined. The rest will come naturally. Either it's today or tomorrow. Like remember Friday, chat? We had no positions Friday. We had a good week, but no positions Friday. Not because we were, you know, afraid or anything, but more so because we never got a sub that we initially wanted. So we had no trades Friday, and you know, days like that are fine, and weeks like that are fine. So if that day comes today as well, and you get no trades today, you will be fine, man. Trust me. You're still here tomorrow, right? For those that were here Friday and didn't take any trades, you are here again today anyways, right? It doesn't matter. The markets will be here tomorrow, you will be here tomorrow, so don't force any setups. Now let's take a look at gold real quick. Gold for the weekly is an interesting spot. I'll say you are at, like, you're basically right at this resistance here to the left hand side, right at 1872 ish, right? That's the resistance you were kind of tapping, and that's a resistance that price has rejected at many levels in the past. So by past, I mean, look left here, you had a resistance here, price rejected, resistance here, price rejected. So now the difference is, though, there's no confirmation that price will reject this resistance. At any given point, price could still drive and push above towards the next resistance, right? Because you don't have a good closure yet. You don't have a closure confirming that there is a resistance here, right? Every time price rejected here in the past, what did it do? It rejected and closed bearish first. Rejected, closed bearish. You don't have that bearish closure yet. So we can't just assume that since we're at resistance with the bullish closure, that price will reject. We have to wait and see what price gives us, the information that price prints for us. In this case, we don't have that resistance form yet, so we can just assume that price will continue to drop up. That's all we see. That's all we know. There's no thinking involved, right? We just be seeing, and we should be adapting. So in this case, the weekly shows that we are still bullish. And what I do know is that as long as price respects this low this week, at any given point, this weekly candle could drive up. And it can drive up towards the next resistance for all we know. But what I will say is that there is no bottom wick right now. I would assume we create a bottom wick before we start to head up, if anything, for the weekly time frame. Now, if price doesn't head up, then there you go. Next week's candle closes. This week's candle closes bearish on the weekly, and next week we have more direction in price. But price is what I call at indecision level, where it doesn't know what it wants to do here because it didn't close above the range bullish, or it didn't close bearish at resistance. So next week's candle will be much cleaner than this week, but we'll see what we can do this week. The daily time frame is pretty bullish today as well. However, you're in the same situation as gold or as a weekly. You're just right at resistance. There's no confirmation showing you that you're going to drop up, aside from the fact that we have a bullish closure, right? So we're still bullish for a day. Don't get it twisted. However, in terms of directions, there's no direction. Sorry, just a target. There's not really a target because you're just right at resistance, right? I mean, I guess I can say maybe like we'll see like 1884 or 386 if price does tend to drive up. However, we'll see what happens on a small time from here. I would expect the bottom wick first, right? So you may see like 1856, 406, potentially getting tapped because that is the most recent support. And if you create a bottom wick, that's the level that you may drop down towards. So range 2 breakout sells would be interesting today if you can get that. Drop down to a small time frame. Let's dissect it. The 4 candle closed bearish 2 hours ago. Looks like you had a resistance right around here, and price closed bearish, respecting it, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, respecting that level. So price closed bearish here, respecting this support here. It didn't really close below, so there's no confirmation that price is headed to price is headed down 4 hour time from just yet. You can see that it's respecting. So at any given point, we still drive up. Don't get it wrong. Let's drop down to a small time from dissect further information because there's nothing we can do much on the 4. The 1 hour time frame shows that we're bearish here. It's about to close in 3 minutes. We're bullish though. Kind of creating a minor support here if I'm not wrong. So let's take a look at left here and see what levels we're respecting. Okay, so there is a minor support here going across. So let's go ahead and mark this up as a support on a 1 hour time frame. Go to the current charts. Okay, cool. So yeah, support at 1869-ish levels. You didn't really come down and tap it. You kind of just rejected before beforehand. So things are interesting here. You can say that you have a resistance here at like 18.74 as well. Yes, yeah. So this is probably something you don't want to touch here from 18.74 to 18.69.673 because you're just in the mix here. There's no confirmation. Wait, is this it too? What is that? Yeah. So there's no confirmation that price is gonna drive up or price is gonna drive down just yet, because look at the range we're in. We're just in this range here, right? There's no direction in this range here. What I will say is that if price does end up making its way and closing below these levels here to the left, below 18.69, 673, then yeah, positions going down wouldn't be too bad, coming down towards like the 1865.848 mark. However, I'm gonna need a closure below the support here, 1869-ish levels, right? So I'll wait for that for you guys. Because you do not want to touch a range where you have no idea where price is going. You don't want to be the hero today and predict, oh yeah, I see price doing this and then doing this and then doing this, and then you got like 10,000 arrows on your charts with no direction in price whatsoever, right? You don't want to be that guy. You want to just wait and see. I know it may not seem as flashy, may not seem as cool as, you know, predicting price and then telling everyone that you did this, but it is the more logical thing to do in this case. So that's what I'll do if I were you guys. Let me just go ahead and mark this up. What? Oh, there it is. Cool. Yeah, so it may not seem as cool, but it's more logical. Wait for price to break out this range. You do not want to touch this range today, my friend. If you touch this range today, it's gonna be very tough, right? Very tough range to catch. I'll say anything below here is cool to take positions in. Anything above, not there. Anything above, maybe here. I'll say these two ranges here today will be very tough. That might change later. Like this might change later. This range right here, that might change later. We don't know what's gonna happen there. However, as of right now, I'm not looking forward to touching anything above 8.73 unless you get some type of range twos. All right, I'll update you guys on the charts, obviously, if things do change. Maybe above 18.76, maybe as above there, but we shall see. As of right now, though, we just want to wait patiently for this thing to break out, and for this 1 hour close in about 1 minute here. All right, because you have a 1 hour close. If this 1 hour count does close above 18.73, 844 or 884, things will get interesting. But it looks like we don't have enough time to close above there, so we're just in the range again, right? As you said earlier, not much you can do in this range at all. How big is this range going down? 1840 pips. Below here. Okay, so below this 5 minute support here is going to be 1870. In 1 hour time from break below there, you have range going down for another 20 pips. Yeah, like maybe below here, 1870 would be too bad for sales as well. You have kind of clean traffic if you break the 1 hour lows there, right? Look, if the 1 hour breaks the lows here today, 1870, we'll probably make a way down towards like 1878, 500, potentially even like 1866052. And we can start taking positions on the 5, but as of right now, nothing we can do. But that chat, that's the analysis. Pretty straightforward day. All right, pretty straightforward day. However, you want to be patient. Cool. Yeah, I have literally no trades today. No trades today. No trades. Since Friday. I don't think I had a trade since like, yeah, Friday London. That's the last time. Cool. No trades today. It's a beautiful January though. Very nice, very nice. Very nice day, chat. Hope you guys are having a good day today too. You know, it's Monday. I know you guys are a little tired from the weekend. What'd you guys do this weekend? All I did was play hockey. I did hockey, went to a Leafs game, watch hockey. Got some tacos last night. Man, I'm craving fish tacos right now, or I've been craving fish tacos for quite some time. Zoom link, yo, in the let me actually add you to that because I know I got you. I'm gonna pin you on this just so I can. Cool. You should be good now, Joe. Check this. I just linked it for you. Check that announcer channel for that. Should be good. Yo, that's in the Zoom link today, chat? What's going on? By the way, this website, chat, he still hasn't gone back to me. You know? Trust me, I'm just as annoyed as you guys. Don't worry. I don't know where the website is. I mean, it's gonna come, but like, he told me this week. I haven't had a reply since January 3rd, or sorry, January 3rd. So like, trust me, I'm in the same boat as you guys. I don't know what's going on. But it's gonna come out. It's not in my control. It's been since like November. Since like this website's been in work since like I think like last summer, since like June or something. And then we started developing the website in November. And it's been 2 months. I get it, you know, the holidays and stuff going on, but at least give me a proper update or something, man. I know you guys are waiting. Please up below closures. No, it's not a guy. It's like a company. So it's a company that Marcos actually referred to me because Marcos was running up their account. It was running up their socials for them. So it's a website that Marcos referred to me. And like they're pretty trustworthy. Like, you know, it's not like a Fiverr guy or anything like that, chat. It's a proper development team. But they just take mad long, man. They did tell me, they did say sorry and apologies for taking too long, but after that I've had no reply. I guess they're working on it, or they're waiting until they finish it to hit me up or something. I don't know. You take more trades in the London session, Asian, because I want to join a signature group, but I am not from London. I am from London, sorry. I take more trades during New York session and Asian than I do London. London I do take as well, but not as often or not as consistent. Like you'll see maybe I'll take Asian session. Or start London like maybe in a week of 5 trading days, maybe 2 of 5 trading days. I would trade a London session, right? Depends on what my schedule is like, you know. You can get HD for the streams. The stream's not 1080p. What's going on? You guys have the thumbnail, by the way, chat. Old money. Who gets that reference? If you get that reference, you're a real one. You definitely read The Great Gatsby. It's HD, no? So things are interesting here. You say that you have 1080p HD. At like 18. Eyes on rock. Yada. On Safari, thank you. favorite thumbnail. It's pretty lit. Hope it caught your attention in your YouTube homepage. It means it was a successful thumbnail. The only book I ever read was The Millionaire Next Door, and it was ass. F books. I'm starting to read books again. I've been looking at some books. You Vietnamese? Yeah, I'm Vietnamese, born in Canada. Got your course? How did I join Zoom? Oh, was that okay? Let me sorry, yo. I'm working on a better way to like automatically add people to that. If you purchase the course, message me on Discord, and then I will get back to you. Cool. Or IG. Like I'll get back to you like right now. Or hit me up in the join our Discord server, and then hit me up in the community channel. Be like, oh, just you're done. I'm the guy who just bought the course, whatever. And just hit me up, and I'll add you to the roles. I'll give you the Discord roles. It's kind of confusing to it's kind of hard to make like automatic with my website, but with the new website, it'll be much more efficient. I'll find a way to fix it. But that website won't come out until whenever this guy finishes developing the website. So, any great books regarding psychology or trading? I read like this book. Like this is one book I read. It's called Being Fearless, but it has nothing to do with trading really. I don't really read trading books. This is just being fearless, you know, just in the outside world and just in general. Pretty cool book. Pretty cool book, but yeah, aside from this book, this is the closest thing I have to FOREX. I don't really read like FOREX books, you know. I just find that it doesn't really help me. I'm more of a visual guy. I'd rather just watch videos, learn, or yeah, watch videos or either learn through myself. Yep, I don't really read any FOREX books. FOREX books, I know a couple that people recommend. Like, you know, we have a whole book club in our Discord server. You guys want to check it out? People drop their books there for FOREX, FX. Where's our book club? Our book club on our Discord server is yeah, people share books here all the time. You have these books here. I don't know, people just drop books here. I've heard of this book. Hey yo, bro. Man. Yeah, pretty cool books here if you guys want to read. Trading the Zone, you know, one of the books that people recommend. Tons of books out there you can read, take advantage of. It's like, I mean, it's similar to like just going on social media though. Like, it's like you could read all you want, watch as much video as you want online about learning how to trade, but if you don't apply anything and sample size anything, nothing really changes. It doesn't really help at the end of the day. You can read all you want, but if you don't apply the actual actions every day, it's not gonna help, right? So you have to be able to read the books and then apply whatever the book's trying to tell you, or try to apply Well, now if you wanna, oh yeah, the chat, yeah, chat GPT. Yeah, it's crazy out here, man. Yeah, it's got like we got it easy nowadays. What was that? What chat? What was that old website that in high school I remember going to this website to summarize a book? What was it called? It'll be a certain website. I forgot what it was called, but you can just summarize a whole book for you. It wasn't chat GPT. It was something else. You guys know what I'm talking about. Spark Notes. Yeah, Spark Notes. That was the website in high school. Yeah. I got you. You trade binary, Don? No, I don't. I only trade FX. That's all I trade. I only trade FX. Interesting. How big are these ranges here on gold here? This range is 35 pips. Not too bad. Yeah, chat. Like I'll say anything below again, 1869 would be your best bet today. There's a lot of volume right now though. Things could definitely pick up. But I think I'm looking for buys above 1876, right? 1876 for 890. Above there would be my preferred buys. Which range you got left going on here? You have 12 pips. This range was around 24 pips, I believe. Not bad. And GJ did not really close above or anything. So GJ is still it's still right at the support level. GJ closed 1 hour bullish on a 1 hour time frame, which is pretty interesting. Yeah, just waiting for above 161, 153, right? Show me rectangle cells below template, please. Oh, template? Yeah, right here. This is a setting. Extend right. That's it. The line is, they're two different things. It's a line, and then it's a box. Don't ask me why or how. This is just what I do. It looks too naked like this for me, and it looks too thin like this for me. So when you add both together, it just looks easier in the eyes. I don't know. Don't ask me why I do this. I've been doing this for like I think years now. Okay, so it's just something that I do. Don't ask me why or how. It's just what I do. This looks too thin and naked, bro. There's not enough. It doesn't look great to me. But if you add this to it, there you go. Strong support or strong resistance. But on MT5, I don't really care. MT5, I'm for some reason MT5 I just leave it as this. I just put a line here. That's about it. But, you know what I used to use the MT5? I used to use the other template. I think it was called V2. Yeah, it was called this. I used to use the gray one. I like the way this looks too. This looks easier in the eyes too. I love the way this looks actually. But like if you look at these colors, you know I definitely learned from Uncle Ted, because this is the exact template he got. So yeah, you can tell. Yeah, then you got like trading view colors too. There we go. Who's like a Ted? Some mysterious guy, you know. Mysterious creature. Can't really find. Can look at my chart in Discord group. Why I advise for a trade? I look. Sure. How'd you learn how to trade? I learned how to trade through 2 courses, Q Bank's course and Beat the Market Makers course. Those are the only courses I ever bought in my life. The rest was just me reaching out to people. And the reason why I said Ted's like one of the only guys that really taught me stuff was because no one else ever reached I reached out to a lot of people, but no one else ever really gave me a decent convo of how to you know, you only ask a question and it's just like, oh, buy my course, blah 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 blah. Like Ted was one of those guys when I first started, and that's kind of what I looked up to, and that's why today, and till today, I reply to every single DM I get on Instagram. If you DM me on Instagram, you know you get a reply, right? Within 24 hours. I try to give you guys some decent feedback, whatever you guys need, because I know how it feels, you know, to have like people to be a new trader and you want to ask certain people questions, but they don't just like say, oh, buy my course. It's like, bro, it's just a simple question, you know. So yeah, because yeah, that really helped me in trading, you know. I try to find ways, like the whole point of me streaming and educating is like when I first started as a trader, there's many gaps in, like, I feel like the mentor side that a lot of people didn't have, like certain things that people would explain, but not like, they wouldn't give you the full gist of things. Like they'll teach you what they do, like what they use, but they wouldn't teach you how to put things together. So that it came to a point where I made that part of our streams, was I made it easy so you guys can put it all together. The TED thing, like when I first started, not a lot of mentors give you feedback or message you because, you know, they're too big for you on Instagram or some shit. So I started doing that. I feel like that was a gap the industry was missing, so I just try to fill the gaps on things that I feel like the industry needs to work on. Yeah, that's where all of that came from. But yeah, yo, you literally message me on Instagram, I got you. Don't believe me? Go message me. You know, just give it some time though. Like, look, like, you know, I reply to every DM. If you're asking me for money though, I will block. Oh, I won't block, but I never block people, but I will restrict you and I can't see your messages. So just don't ask for money, because I'm trying to give you guys value or some stuff, but not money, not a handout, you know. I never got a handout growing up, so I feel like you guys shouldn't get a handout either. You know, if I got a handout growing up, then sure, I'll give handouts out, but I didn't get any handouts, and I believe the best way to learn is not to get handouts, just to go things through by yourself, you know, and learn on your own. Trust me, we all been there. I know how it feels. Trust me. Blow an account and then just feel like meh after, right? And then you wanna get more funds to trade a new account. But sometimes when you don't have funds to trade another account, that's the perfect time, because that's the time you take to learn. But some traders, the ones that don't really want it, when they blow an account, what they do is they don't trade again, because they have no money, and they don't care to learn, they don't care to improve. They just want to trade and make money. And that's why a lot of traders fail, because they're not spending their time wisely. They're spending their time trying to make money instead of spending their time trying to improve as a trader. You should be spending your time trying to improve as a trader, not make money, because money comes any day. Money can come today, tomorrow, who knows, any given day. But learning, you don't always have time to learn, or you don't always have situations where you can learn from. You want to take advantage of those losing days, losing accounts. I got you. Can you look at my chart on Discord? Oh yeah, sorry. Charts to stream. Oh wait, what's gold doing? Okay, cool. Right back to your range. Interesting. Lovely. Gold 30-minute time frame. You took a sell there. Gonna break out lows. How many pips were you in profit by? 71. TP was 70. You had a nice the 8 pip push. Honestly, the most logical. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with this entry. Like, the entry is fine. I like the entry. I think the entry is based off the fact that you close below here, right? That's pretty straightforward. But I think the stop loss should be a bit more logical in this case, above these zones here, above this high, and then, or this high even. And then target should have been like down here. So you're still being a trade right now, or I would still be in a trade if I were you, but yeah, technically, as long as you respect this high, this thing should still drive through towards next support. Not sure how the hourly closed. I think it closed bullish, right? So yeah, the hourly closed bullish, but still respecting this resistance here. Oh wait, I think you would have hit stops already. How many pips were you in profit by? You were in profit by 7. The idea wasn't bad. Like, I like the idea. It's just maybe it was one of those trades that just didn't play out. It's a high probability trade setup, I can tell you that. Something I would take all the time, but it's not always gonna play out 100% of the time. Sometimes, you know, market may not be in your favor, but it doesn't mean you go ahead and change your entries or subs or anything like that. When price is trending down, wait for pullbacks to find daily buys above 80 M London volume. Remember to check 1530, 1 hour and 4 hour. When price is trending down, wait for pullbacks to find. Yes, pretty good entry. Like the idea. Yeah, I'll be break even right now, or I'll probably would just close full, honestly. I don't know these levels here, or right now at least. Pretty good trade. Yeah, Chad, this 1 hour is interesting here. You know how it broke the highs? It broke all those highs, but there's one thing I will say. It's still respecting 1873. It closed bullish, yes, don't get it wrong. It can definitely drive up, which it did. But where is it closed is the question. Like, will we close below? Will we close above? It'll be very interesting on this 1 hour candle here if we can close respecting this resistance. Because what you'll see is you'll see something like this form after a price were to close bearish. Right? And then if you had this overall trend for a day already, and you form this resistance here again, what's the next candle gonna do? The next candle is likely gonna just pop down and make its way down towards the bottom of the range like this. And as it does that, you'll get your positions on a smaller time frame, which is the 5, right? Below 18,769, right? And then below there, coming down towards next support. So you have tons of ranges here. It's just a matter of what's gonna happen. Will we get positions? Where's Wix? Oh shit. I was talking too much. What's your average stop loss in pips, brother? There's no average stop loss. It's based off of structure. Sometimes it could be, actually, yeah, average is like maybe 20. Average is maybe like 20, 30, or 15, 20. I'll say, yeah, 15, 20 sounds about right. Ads on stream. I mean, yeah, I mean, YouTube, you know, it's how YouTube works, no? Unless you got ad block premium or something, there will be ads. What up, Wix?
What's the deal? What's going on?
Chilling, you know. Chilling.
No.
Just chilling. You mentioned that it's bullish bias, but your range labeling is bearish. Am I missing something? You can still take sells with the bullish bias. It's just you need range 2 to happen, right? If you want a better understanding of that, because I can't explain that within a sentence, do range 1 or do execution point. Chat, what is it? Fake out, or is it range 1, range 2? What's the execution point? Or fake out? I don't know. Watch that video. Does Nightbot not work?
Took the day off.
And Nightbot hasn't done anything today.
Boy's on vacation.
Yo, is it that command chat? What's the command? Fake out.
Yeah, no, Nightbot's not on.
Fake out.
He's not here. Long weekend for Nightbot.
Wait, where's command? There it is.
Oh, there you go.
He woke up. He's like, all right, yo, I'm up. Spams the whole chat. I'm doing this right now. Yeah, I gave Nightbot a raise. He's taking advantage of the raise, you know. Being a little bit too laid back right now.
Nightbot must be South African.
He has the, what's it called? What's that trusty thing called there? You don't want to shut off for like 5-10 minutes or whatever.
What?
What's it called, chat? Is this South Africa that they have the power power outage for like an hour or so? What's it called? Load shedding. Yeah.
Wait, we were just talking about that.
Yo, speaking about chat, I'm going to forget Tulum, bro. I think I'm going to Jamaica next month. Cause like I can't go to Mexico. Boy. I can't go to Mexico, bro. You know what's happening in Mexico right now? So I'm going to Jamaica and
You know what happened in Jamaica? Oh yeah,
bro, it's about to be lit. I'm going for like 4 days, 5 days.
It's gonna be lit right at the airport.
Mexico is. I was gonna to look at Mexico, and then I go on the Canada website for Mexico to travel, and they're like, please be aware of going to Mexico. They will like it showed it showed like a warning, like if you're going to Mexico, be careful, and that's not good. That's dangerous, bro. So I'm like, yeah. 'Cause apparently they go into resorts and shit now. Like it's messed up there right now.
Jamaica.
Yeah, I'm gonna Jamaica. I was about to Punta Cana, or Dominican, but I already went there, so I'm gonna go to Jamaica. I was gonna go to coast. Go to what was it called? Where else? I was looking at a couple spots, but I'm excited for Jamaica though. A cute little Asian boy like you would be right target. Nah, I'll be fine.
You get a hat that says Forex Trader.
Yeah, any Jamaicans in the chat, guys?
Yeah, meet you right on the airport. What's a nice Asian boy doing like on the beach all by themselves? You going by yourself, right?
No, I'm not going on vacation by myself. I'm going with my girl.
Oh shit.
No, Wix can speak Ukrainian.
Yeah. Well, I go on my youth. Everything Irie.
Profits looking nice. Hey man, don't look at my profits. Do not look at my profits. Don't get distracted, okay?
Chat, I know a lot of you have been waiting for this moment. It's finally here. Asian session continues, goddammit.
Oh yeah!
We are fucking back. It is Monday, January 9th, you bitches. Siri, you were supposed to remind them what happened. We are fucking back. Asian session is back with a bang.
Let's go.
Let's
How many viewers you can pull tonight? I think you're gonna hit 500 tonight.
500 viewers? Huh? It wouldn't be peak. We peaked at over 500. Actually, no, we didn't. I'm lying.
I think you get 500
We peaked at like 480 was a peak.
Today 500. Maybe this week you'll peak. I think it's gonna be a good week for you guys.
Week's stream tonight? Yes. Asian session is back for 2023.
I might pop up, might not, chat. I usually, it's like a 50-50 for me usually.
I don't think I can attend the stream. No, we're gonna hit 5K. We're gonna hit 5K this week. We're gonna have 5K subs this week, either tonight or tomorrow. But we're gonna hit them. Yeah, we are back. I've been having people email me all week, DM me all week. Yo, you should start tonight. You should start earlier. Oh, we are starting on 9th, and it is the 9th. You guys have made it. The assassins have failed. The trolls, they tried to get us. Couldn't. We're gonna get a bigger pool than Kanye, right? That's the goal. That's the goal here right now. Get a bigger pool than Kanye.
Why not so entry done? If I'm being totally honest with you.
Fuck GG.
Oh, actually, before that, no, before even I say that, there's this. Even if I were to trade GG right now, I wouldn't take sells here. It's still a range one breakout. The day bias is bullish today. This is still a range one breakout. I'll say sells for me would be preferred below like 18. I don't know, below 1860, like, or sorry, 1860 on GG. Yeah, right. 160.223, right? 162.26, like anywhere below there, I'll say, or even below like 160.064, like that would be a range 2 breakout for sells. Because what price is gonna do in these areas here, which is this area and this area, it's gonna find direction. Once you break out these areas, it's either if you break below here, you can get sells going down because you at least have direction for sells, and above here will be your buys with the day bias. So that I need a range 2 breakout for sells. But as I was saying, I don't even think I'm gonna be trading GG today. I haven't touched GG chat in the month. Like I've literally haven't touched GG since like November, I think.
No need.
Like this is December, right? And
not a single GJ one.
Let me see. Keep going.
Yeah,
okay, GJ on like November, December 1st, December 5th. Okay, GJ again, December 13. Okay, December 22. Okay, never mind. December 22 again. Okay. Yeah, but like it's been a while. I haven't really like December 22. Okay, more GJ. Yeah, so December 22, but it's been almost a month. I've just been very locked into gold as of right now. I mean, it's not permanent. Like I'm pretty sure eventually I'll come back to GJ, but as of right now, gold markets have been very decent. I've just been touching gold. Yeah. He's a day for what? By the way, chat, is this a record updated? What is this record I'm seeing here? Wrong one. By the way, if you guys want a trading journal, do !journal in the chat. It's a free journal, no charge. Make sure you follow instructions before asking anyone how to use it on the pages. But stream trading journal here, yeah, record should be, yep.
Divergence in RSI. Well, I hope you have a really big computer screen because that indicator is taking up at least a 2x8 on your screen. It's just wasting a lot of space. Like 2 inches for sure.
Hit down a closure candle would be a 30-minute candle. Yeah, it would be a 1 hour candle close actually. No, 30. Oh yeah, 30 in 1 hour basically. Where can I get the trading journal? Chat, help him out. Help him out, chat. Help out my boy. Who's that? Or my girl, Martina. Martina.
Martina in it.
Can you explain what you doing? Can you listen? If you listen since 6:30, you know what we're doing. Just come to the streams here, and if you just joined, you will be confused, but just, you know, just chill out, tune in, and ask questions. Don't just ask, what am I doing? Ask questions that, hey, try to figure out on your own first, and then ask, oh, what's this guy doing? Okay, he has a couple lines on the screen. What does that mean? Don, what do those lines means on your screen? Right? Like stuff like that. Or like, why does it say buys above here? Well, Don, why are you waiting for a buy above here? You know, like,
Weirdo.
but start to like figure it out yourself before you ask any questions, because that question right there just screams out, I'm lazy, Don, and I want to make money, but I don't know how. I don't know.
Why didn't you bring your spoon today? Where's your spoon?
Huh? Well, the spoon
Where's your
comes out
feeding
when
spoon?
we get a trade opportunity. There's no trade opportunity.
Should have brought your feeding spoon.
People who are desperate will learn. Exactly. I would never ask that question when I first started trading. I did not ask that question. Never ever asked someone how long it took them to become profitable. Never. Those questions just never came into my mind at any given point in my trading career. Because you know why? I did not care how much they made. Because as long as someone provides me value and I can make money by myself, I understood that it's infinity. Just because my mentor at the time made 100K in a day doesn't mean I'm limited to making 100K a day, because that's the capacity of this strategy, right? You can make as much as you want, however you want, but you cannot compare your amount to others. Yo, there's a fire clip yesterday that Circle FX made, chat. This is fire. You guys check this out. This show is fire. It's a fire clip. One thing I want you guys to learn to know is you will get to where you want to get to in terms of, I don't know, it's the music, capital. I watched it got chill size. You will get to where you want to get to. You just need to lock down the strategy first. Once you lock down the strategy and it's not based off of luck, it's just consistent, your lot size will just grow. That's all that's going to change. Your lot size is going to change and your balance is going to change. But your strategy doesn't change. No matter 100K account versus $10 account, it doesn't change. Once you get the strategy down, everything else goes up. But it takes time. The music hitting different, for real, man. Hitting different.
It's that seahorse halo you have above you.
For real, it's like a little. I should make it turn into a little halo above my head. That's a good idea. What song is that? Pop Smoke Dior.
Every song is Pop Smoke Dior. You ever heard a song that wasn't Pop Smoke Dior?
Yeah.
I haven't. They're all Pop Smoke.
Man, I miss playing music, chat. I ain't gonna lie.
You have no music period on right now?
Oh,
Like
I
at
do.
all?
Do, but it's just.
Oh, there we go. Sorry.
What did you do on your day off to tweak your game? I don't tweak my game on my day off. I tweak my game every single day. Day off, day on.
Oh,
No matter what day it is. I'm always tweaking. I'm always tweaking. Always tweaking, man. You should always be tweaking. You should always find ways to improve after every single trade that you take. After every opportunity you get to tweak your strategy, you should always find ways to tweak. You never want to get too comfortable.
Be tweaking.
You never
like
want to get.
Every single weekend we be tweaking.
You never want to get too comfortable to a point where you're like, "Yup, I got this shit down. I am a GOAT." Forget, all these other guys. I am the man. The moment you say that to yourself, I'm sorry, my guy, but you're going down a downhill spiral. So you gotta always find ways to improve. Could be today, could be tomorrow. But the thing about me, I talk to Wix about this too. There's things like the 5-minute time frame. Like there's things that the things that I apply to my strategy over time, I notice and see in my head for a decent period of time. It's just, it doesn't come out in words. It does, like, it's just how, when I trade chat, like, let's say, like, I take a loss, like, mentally, I'll note things. And over time, as I note things, I'll notice that it always comes back to that note. Like, okay, let's say this loss is the same loss as the last loss. I'll be, okay, this is a similar loss I've had last time. And over time, I'll be, okay, maybe it's time we make an adjustment here. So when I bring you guys new concepts, it's not just concepts that I made up overnight. It's concepts that were built up months and months, or that had months and months of build-ups, right? And then I'll bring you guys.
When I bring you guys new concepts. Hey guys, look what I just picked up at the supermarket.
But yeah, it's all through a lot of time and experience on the charts. You know, like the fake out stuff, like that stuff was not just like an overnight thing. Like I would never bring as a concept that I just made up overnight, because how reliable will that be? Imagine if I just say, oh yeah, today chat, we're gonna start trading the 1 minute time frame. When have you ever seen me take the 1 minute time frame entries? Never. So for me to teach you the 1 minute time frame entries, it's kind of like not going with my plan. It's like, you ever seen a mentor chat that just that preaches what they don't, like, they preach but they don't do what they preach? They'd be like, yeah, no impulse entries. This guy taking impulse entries every minute. Right? There's things that this just doesn't really make sense. You gotta question those things sometimes, man. Wix behave. Please. 9% of Forex industry. Well, yeah, Forex industry is like that too. Like a lot of people in the industry are just that's different. It's different being like a trader versus being a mentor and doing that. You know, as a mentor, I feel like you should you should have an established plan before you even go out to mentor people. Or you should have concepts that you've been emphasizing for quite some time before you just bring it out to teach your audience, right? It doesn't make sense. As a student though, or as a trader, it doesn't matter. No one really, like, you're not here to teach anyone or anything. You can try things out whenever.
Or you just make a fake Don Vol account and solicit everyone with scams.
Oh, by the way, someone we got scammed. They messaged. It's funny because, like, chat, do people not put pieces together? Like, do they not go on?
I don't fucking get this.
Like,
shit.
did they not go on our YouTube channel and check the bottom right of our screen that says it's Don Vol Instagram? Like, there's no underscore, no cap, like no space, nothing. And then there's Discords you can go to confirm what is the correct account. Like, it's okay if you message them, but if you're gonna go out and pay someone else $500, you better make sure that's the right account.
Word. Messaging me from it's so Don Vol.
And then they message me, they're like, yo Don, I thought you were a scammer. I'm like, man, trust me, man, I would never message you first. I'll message you back, but I message you first.
Unless you're Wix. Then he'll message you and not reply.
And I questioned it too, man. I questioned the industry. Like, damn, this is the industry we're in, chat. This is what people are getting scammed on. And you get some nice buys above 8676 here, chat. I will tell you that. I will tell you that. You got some nice buys above there. Very, very clean.
They would be with the bias as well. And that we broke the previous day.
Previous day? What do you mean, previous day?
Previous daily. We broke it.
Yeah, we broke out like 8670, right? Yeah, down there.
Yeah, I would think we're gonna fill this wick here.
Those that are new and coming here, chat, I am not taking trades in this red box, okay? Whatever happens in this range, I am not touching, because there's no direction right now in price. Once you break out those red boxes, you will see direction. how many hours were you spending on charts when you were new? When I was new to trading, it was a different breed. When I was new to trading, I spent unrealistic hours on the charts. And what I realized over time is that it's not about how many hours you spend on the charts. It's about what you learn within those hours. So use your time wisely. Don't spend like 8 to 10 hours on a simulation trading gold and think you'll come back during the weekend profitable. It takes market cycles, man. Market cycles to improve, not an 8-hour simulation session that you're gonna do on softforex.com or forexsimulator.com, right?
It's not really a true reflection of the application of your knowledge, right?
Yeah.
Like you gotta practice, not, you don't have to learn stuff. You have to practice what you know, right? You have to practice applying your knowledge. And doing it in soft forex is not, a real world situation, real life situation.
Yeah.
Neither is demo funds. So
there's no psychology involved. There's like, when you're on a simulator, there's no patience in being like there's no patience being tested. You're just simulating through candles.
Next candle.
Yeah, like, oh, this candle doesn't close nicely, I'll flip to the next. Like in real life, you have to wait 30 minutes for that candle to close, or whatever the time frame that candle is. And during that time, you build up emotions, and that's what makes or breaks as a trader, not trading. I mean, everyone knows how to trade. It's just people don't know how to manage their emotions in trades. To recommend them for all traders. Me personally, when I first started trading, I was on demo the first day. Maybe I promise you that I was on demo the first day. After next day, literally the next day, I opened a live account. But again, that's just me. That's what I did. I think demo's good to test out tools, to test out I don't know, maybe like a brand new strategy. But I think in terms of sample sizing, I think it's much better to trade on a small, like just open up a small account or something you don't mind losing and trade on that, because you'll notice the difference from that and a demo, even if it's a small amount.
Here's the thing: there's profitable traders that already have psychology down and just pick up new ones. We're all still growing. We're always growing, right? You never reach the pinnacle, right? You're never gonna reach the peak. There's gonna be, right, another road to travel. We're all always getting better, and I feel like the soft forex and simulations, they can be handy for people that have already gotten their psychology down, that already have a profitability and consistency in their trading, and now they want to skim through a new concept or something that they've noticed that they can build upon. Then I can see you shortening your time on the charts by adding what you already by adding that new concept to what you already do, and just testing it, back testing it, seeing how it would have worked for the year. But that's once you already have your psych down, once you're already profitable. If you're not there yet, I don't think back testing is
You're still building your
much.
psychology.
Yeah, I think you need to build the psychology in live markets, and back test new concepts as you pick them up.
Yeah, I agree.
I concur.
Like, I've blown chat when I started trading. I've blown 20 accounts. Like, if you guys watch my podcast on trading night, I've mentioned I blew like 20 plus accounts, right? And for me, at least, like, I rather would have blown those accounts on a live market than on demo, because on demo I wouldn't have learned anything. I was just a guy that couldn't learn on demo either. Like, I just couldn't do it. I just knew it wasn't real money, and there was just no emotions involved. So it didn't really help me in any way, shape, or form. I'd rather blow money on a live account, real emotions, and learn than on demo. I wouldn't take demo seriously, but there's some people out there who take demo very seriously. I just wasn't that guy. If it's fugazi, wasn't worth it for me.
Go to jail over a demo account.
Huh? Why?
He said there's people that take demo trading seriously.
Oh yeah.
Listen, I gotta go to jail over a trading account.
Nah, BBH, bro. Bumbo, for sure.
Yeah? Bomboy? What's bomboy?
Some dish.
Is that just noodles with no water?
Nah, it's broth.
No liquid.
BBH.
It's like that's pho but with no liquidity. Rangy pho.
Well, it's overrated, bro. Like,
No, so it depends, you know. So I have my cravings where like for a week straight I need pho. And I'm like, fuck, I just
maybe because I had it so much in my life, bro. It's just.
yeah, I mean, yeah, you grew up on it.
Like, okay, people think I'm Vietnamese. I eat pho every day, bro. I eat pho maybe like once every 4 or 5 months. Like but it's just like, I've had other dishes my whole life too, more than pho, and I still like them better than pho. I think pho is just overrated. Pho is just like, I don't know. Ramen, and it depends where you go.
Oh, I'd destroy some ramen right now. What? I think that's gonna be the breakfast today. I'm gonna get some ramen. Some hot sake, and some thuthi.
I had some burrito tacos yesterday.
Some devious dango sushi.
Donville sushi.
Hooks is Naruto.
Damn, I'm hungry now looking at this dish.
Word, I got fucking.
This is whatever I was talking about. This is pho. Pho is like.
He said I'm hungry. I said word, and he puts pictures of food on the screen.
What else is there? What else is a Vietnamese dish? Oh, you guys have summer rolls?
I swear, like 70% of my income goes to delivery dudes.
Summer rolls?
I gotta stop ordering food.
Y'all had this? You guys ever had this? You guys have heard like this, to be honest. A lot. Yeah.
I be eating that with the peanut butter sauce.
I just be eating the sauce, bro. Forgot the stuff. I know,
peanut butter sauce.
At home we make it, right? So we just get like, I just literally just take the pork and the shrimp and just dip it in.
And I love the places that give you the two sauces. They give you the peanut butter one, and then they give you the liquidy, the spicy one, not the.
Oh, the fish sauce?
Yeah.
I don't like fish sauce as much.
You crazy? I do them both.
I grew up with
Wow.
This one, alright.
Crazy. I asked for a straw. I put a straw in the peanut butter sauce.
Yeah, peanut butter sauce. Wow, worthy. I'm not a big fan of fish sauce though. Like I am. Like it's not. I like it, but it's not like I don't love it. Holy, I'm starving.
Bring Salt Bay in? Can y'all bring Salt Bay in to do this shit on my? How much for Salt Bay?
Peanut punch. You know the vibes. Yeah, I know. Fish sauce is literally in every Vietnamese dish. Chili crab. Oh, yo, I've seen that. I was gonna make that. I was actually gonna make that. I was gonna cook that dish for with my girl like 2 months ago, but I think I had a sore throat or something, so I couldn't eat spicy food. Fish sauce sounds nasty. Yeah, bro, you gotta travel a bit more or something, bro.
Yeah, fish eggs sound nasty too, but caviar expensive as fuck. All right.
Yeah, I gotta eat more food, bro. You gotta stop eating Burger King.
You just gotta get out.
You gotta go outside or something. That's all right. There's a lot of people in the world that haven't tried a lot of food yet. Like they just had, the regular food, but they haven't had like different dishes from different countries. I'm hungry as shit. God damn. Can you go do something so we can get out of here, chat?
Word. And like, can my broker break down or something?
Indonesian food is good. I'm a lumpia. You're a Filipino, right? Yo, isn't lumpia just spring rolls? Like, what's the difference? Like, yo, Wixon.
I don't know that shit right there look healthy as fuck.
Look at this, all right? And then look at this.
Oh yeah.
What's the difference? Is it what's inside? Like, what do you guys put inside it? Isn't it just pork? Like, what's the difference? It's dinner. One is fried. They're both fried.
One
Springles are
only
fried
has
too.
cabbage. One only has cabbage, and the other one has like shrimp or pork.
Ah. Okay, I see. This looks like that thing. That looks like
Yo, who's Asian here? You or I? What's going on? This should be like second nature to you.
Yo, how about oh, but balut, whatever it's called. Yo, you ever had those eggs wicks like that, or like, I was like, what's it called again? Is it
the small eggs? The
no,
quail eggs?
No, not quails are good. Nah,
quail's delicious.
Oh, you guys ever had hot and sour soup? Yeah, we talking too much about food. You know the
quail eggs,
fertilized egg. You ever had a fertilized egg? Fertilized developing egg.
It's a boneless chicken, fool.
Yeah, it's a boneless chicken, basically. You ever had that?
He said, you ever heard of fertilized egg? Yeah, I had some fried chicken. I had some boneless chicken thighs.
All right, bro. Never mind.
That's a fertilized egg.
Nah, I get why a lot of people wouldn't mess up for balut though. It just doesn't look edible.
How many of you here on stream are actually eating as we speak? How many of you are sitting here with a fucking one cheek stuck that you can't fucking breathe and the other cheek empty so you can chew? How many of you are like this right now?
Yeah, chicken feet. Yeah.
I'm starving Marvin, yo. Deviled eggs.
Y'all ever had bat soup?
Yo.
That's crazy.
You guys are some bat soup babies.
Yo,
This is generation. This generation should be called Gen X, Gen Z, and then bat soup babies.
Hey, the chat only gets active when we talk about food and cars. Like, watch this. Hey, chat, should I get the BMW M4 or should I get the Tesla Model S?
Chat, is it football or soccer?
Those three topics, the chat goes crazy.
Done.
But when it comes to trading, silent.
You're about to enter a trade. Oh, dead silence.
That's whenever I enter a trade, it's dead silent in the chat. No one in the chat speaks.
Look, I'm for it. We're a soccer man.
What?
M4, Beamer, M4, soccer.
M4 all day. Yo, I'm getting Toyota Supra, chat.
Chat's triggered. This is how you fucking crack the YouTube algo. Just talk about cars.
The only issue with the cars that I want to get is that they're all rear wheel drive.
Yeah, but Beamer got like.
And I'm in Canada, so it's
legendary. Beamers have legendary handling. Like it doesn't matter if it's snowing or not.
Really? If I get M4 in the winter, I'll be fine.
Or just get an Audi. Get an Audi. Get the Quattro. They got that Quattro.
I'm just getting Camaro in color a day. When I was a kid, Camaro was one of my dream cars too. Camaro, Supras. Buy a Honda for real. Sell gold now. Okay, I will. Ah, got you there. Got you there. We're gonna chugging our weight for real. Speaking about Chell, I spent like $120 on NHL like on Friday. I just bought some cards, some packs. You try a nice Jeep? I like Jeep. Jeeps are nice. I mess with Jeeps. At that point, you might as well look at a G-Wagon, no? Hi, sir. Gold buy or sell? I am waiting right now. So you see whatever happens. You see this range we're in? I'm not touching this range. I'm looking for buys above there because there's no direction in this range. And as for sells, I'm looking for sells below here. This range is probably untouchable as well. That's what I'm waiting for today. Yeah, license first. I know. Yo, chat. By the way, you have a 1 hour closure here, yeah, guys. You have a 1 hour closure here, and it looks like you got a bearish closure below on GJ on a 1 hour. Again, my range 2 breakout, I believe, was below here. This is my range 2 breakout, and then as for gold, you got a 1 hour closure back above that range, which is good because remember how earlier I said how you close below here. Now we're actually respecting that. We're pushing back into that range there. So at any given point here, price could still drive up. And remember how I talked about the 4 hour time frame as well, chat? I'm not sure who was here for that this morning when I did the analysis, but we mentioned that the 4 hour candle was respecting that support to the left hand side, right? So since you're respecting that support in a 4 hour time frame, even though you closed bearish, as long as you respect the support, any given point, price can just flip bullish and drive up to the top of the range, right? Because that's the range we're in right now. There's no confirmation of support form just yet until you actually close bearish on the 4 hour time frame, which is in about 56 minutes here. But what you can say is that since you're respecting and the smaller time frame, which is the 1 hour to 30 to 15 to 5, is closing in your favor, you can anticipate buys going up to fill 1878 here, right? So if you can anticipate buys going up now with the 4 hours candle giving you that information, where could you get buys, you may ask? Above 1876, because you break above there, where are you gonna go next? 1878-ish levels, right? Anywhere in the zone here, 1878 or even 1879. You have all that range going up on a 1 hour time frame. So if you get a 1 hour closure or a 5 closure above 76, which you're roughly around like 10 pips away from, anything above here in the 5 will be my bias going up, and then I'll take bias going up to mirror that traffic to the left, which is the 1 hour resistance somewhere up here. But you need a closure. Cool. And we'll have our stops below the 5 zone. So we'll have our stops below like these levels here, below 7.3-ish. So that's what I'm waiting for. It could come now, could come 8:20 for comment. If it comes during comics, that'll be perfect, you know? But we're gonna have to be a bit patient here, man. Yeah, Supra? Yeah, yo, chat, do you guys like Supras? What's the chat's thought on the Toyota Supra? Yo, Circle, what are you saying? That's $1. Thanks for the 5.
Hey,
Overhyped. Shit.
Kyle is in the house.
A Beamer? Yeah, Beamer? Or... how you spell Beamer? I thought it was B-E. Bro, yeah.
No, but when you say,
I saw a Supra in real life, and I was like, damn. I saw the 2023 one,
who got the keys to my Beamer?
and I was like, damn, this it had a wide body on it too. So I was like, damn, this is hard. It looks sick. Look kind of cool. One thing I don't like about Supra is that it's just, I feel like this part's so long.
Nah, the car itself is pretty short. Like you see it in person.
Yeah. Overall,
it's pretty short.
But this is so hard. Like, I'll get a green one too, like a matte green.
I see a wide body of the Rocket Bunny kit. I got a neighbor that got one. It's pretty wide. But it's much shorter than the original Supra or the MK4.
What's the MK4? You guys educate me.
Well, that's the MK5 Supra right now. The MK4 was the previous gen, the 94 to 98. The one that they had in Fast and Furious.
Oh, that one. Yeah, that was
one?
Supra I fucked with, yeah. But like, I'm not driving that one in the snow as an everyday drive.
This one is long. This is a long hood. Its hood is fucking long.
Yeah, I remember this.
Remember when he brings the shit all fucked up to the shop and Diesel's like, what the fuck is that?
Yeah.
He's like, it's a 10-second car.
This is my favorite car growing up. How much does one go for today? They go for a lot, right?
My
like
favorite one was the Eclipse, the green Eclipse that Paul Walker had when he was a cop. That one. But it's really hard to find like a great one, you know.
Low mileage.
Low mileage, twin turbo, and you know, original 2JZ engine. No, they're in 6 figures. You know, they're 100K and up.
Like 120, yeah.
The old ones I'm talking about.
Yeah, yeah. The new ones are half the price. No, I blowed up all my money. You blowed up all your money? Hold on. I blowed up all my money. I blew my money. I blowed up all my money. Now I learned this risk management, but now I don't have money to start again. I started to trade at a broker with no deposit bonus. What do you think is a scam? I think what's a scam is that you're taking shortcuts with the deposit bonus. Deposit bonus are I think deposit bonus are a scam, honestly.
Yeah,
it's not a scam, but it's like it's just like a way to get you in, and like you can't. Yeah, no, a lot of people don't know, but you can't withdraw until you make back the deposit bonus. You guys know that, right? So it's not really deposit bonus. It's just like it looks good on paper, but once you try to make a draw, they're like, nope, you gotta make this much more. The moment they say that to you, you're fucked. You're gonna start forcing trades now to make that amount, and then you blew all your money. Now you learn risk management. That's part of the journey, man. You learn, you blow accounts and you learn. You blow accounts and learn. Rinse and repeat. That's what trading is, or beginning a trade is, and that's fine. Just get a job, work, save some money, deposit more funds into an account. That's fine. Nothing wrong with trading and working at the same time. You guys know that, right? I know people who are successful, have a lot of capital, and they just started trading recently, and they got a lot more money than me. I can tell you that, but they're new to the industry and they want to learn.
Why are you not going to trade that range in the middle though? Because that range in the middle has not given us an indication of direction. Yeah, and it hasn't really provided much volume. And if you guys notice, direction and volume will typically come almost at the same time. A lot of the times the closure outside the range will give you the indication that there's volume to finally drive, and that's the direction it's going in. Right? But at the moment, we don't have that. And if we're getting closures above or below these mini ranges in the middle, if you switch up your time frames, all the time frames are in different directions. So you really, you want all of this to align before you're entering. And it's not like, oh shit, this is going to take forever. No, it's going to happen pretty quickly. You just got to be patient. You have confidence in the fact that these positions happen all the time, and it's not like, it's not like seeing, gold or finding gold here because you found one position and there's no more gold in the world. No, there's plenty of fucking gold. Right?
I'm interested in these sells here, but I want to see the one I'll break the lows first. Like I really want to see the low get cleared at 8.71 because you can still, again, any given point price can still flip bullish here. It's just creating a bottom wick on a 1 hour time frame. It's the first 10 minutes here. So if this is the bottom wick on a 1 hour time frame, I mean, maybe we can get buys above here instead, above 75, but preferably above 76. And this is just be a fake out on a 5 minute time frame, right? Range 1 to 5 minute, and it'll just be like a 1 hour flip on a bullish candle close. Things get interesting here. We'll see. I believe this right here will determine where we go for the next 50 minutes or so, until you have a 4 hour close. I'm pretty sure we got a position to chat, but it may come not yet.
Yes, Kellen. Asian session continues tonight, Kellen. 8 p.m. Eastern. Be there.
Yeah. We gotta lock it in though. Yeah, Kong's open here. I believe if we do break this 5 high here, chat, at 7.5, you're gonna see price push up towards here. If this range is a bit bigger, I would take advantage of it, but it's like a 10 pip range. I'm just gonna wait for a buy above here. All right, we'll have like a 30 pip stop and like a whatever target it is. I think 40 pip target. He's Santa, bro. Okay. There's 1 hour. There's the break of the highs, and there's the 1 hour flip too. Look at the 1 hour time frame. It's flipping bullish now. After creating a bottom wick, didn't break the lows. So if you can close above 1876, we can get buys going up to 1878 and such. And look at the time, right at Comics Open too. It's 8:12 right now. You have a 5-minute closure in about 3 minutes, or you have it in 8 minutes for the next 5. But 8:20 is the Comics Open, so things are starting to line up pretty nicely. Question is, will we close? I guess we'll never know.
Yo, can we mark Nexus's words again?
Oh yeah.
He said 1890, 1890, 1890.
Yeah, see GJ how it kind of broke the lows and didn't drive. Hey chat, range 2, man. You need the range 2 because any given point there's gonna be a fake out. Any given point. Right? Or you could actually be creating a range right now too, because look, if this is your range 1 initially and now you're creating this could be your range 2. Range 1 and range 2 here. You break it below here, technically you have clean traffic going down, technically.
Who's gonna be right today? Is it gonna be Chris or is it gonna be Nexus?
That's the battle of FOREX.
All right, it's either gonna be 1890 or 1870. Watch us range at 1880 all day.
Why is your screen flicking so much? My screen? I just got ADHD. I'm just touching a lot. I'm just moving a lot. No, it's not flicking. I might move my thing like this a lot, but
Yo. Your ass needs to stop blinking.
who,
It's
me?
not the screen. No.
Oh, him.
Devalson. Stop blinking and it'll stop flicking.
You have a 5 closure, but you see this 5 closure wicks? You see. I know you see why. You see this right here. If you close above there, you look left. Every time I closed above there, came popped, came popped, came popped, came popped towards like the 1876 level.
So convincing.
Again, like it's like a 10-pip range. I would just prefer to wait for a breakout, but if you guys want to jump the gun early, go ahead, jump the gun early. Good luck. The 1 hour is in your favor. It's flipping bullish. I'm just gonna wait for above 76 here. We're like 10 pips away. Where's that target I mentioned? That was around 70. Yeah, 76, 850 ish.
Just the usual guy. Do you think he should? Right? He should pay. What do you think? He should put me on payroll?
Oh wow, there's that push. Nice. Yeah, at this point, if you got in, you'd be break even right now. This kind of has no reason to flip bearish if it wants to drive up here right before the comics open, and you'll be breaking for comics. So if you're in trading and you're looking away for comics and you're break even, that's a good feeling to have. You see price either push or you see price either drive down. Either way, you'll be break even. Or if you want, you can close full here at your 12 pips and then wait for comics open in about 4 minutes, and then comics opens, maybe take another position if it closes above, because that's the question right now. If you don't close above here on comics, what this thing could do is just drive back down.
Yep. Just respect the resistance.
And just hover in that range. So you can close off here and wait for a closure above. Play it the safe way.
Yeah, but you close above for comics. It's, technically catalysts always drive market in the direction of price action. So if you're going to have a catalyst for volume, market should just drive.
Hey, mods, get him out of here. Who is this Don_Vo guy? Don.vo. Are you the guy with my fake accounts on Instagram too?
I love that guy.
Imposter.
I don't know how they get more followers than me.
Yo, starting this year, chat, we're gonna name the fake on gold. We're gonna name it Fool's Gold. Nah. Yo, mess with that Wix. Yeah, y'all don't mess with that. Some other days
how
like,
you
yo,
just-
Don. Someone's like, yo,
How
Don,
did the likes just go down after that?
hey, Don, well, why don't you name the fake account Fool's Gold? I'm like, hey, honestly, bro. I think the moment you say I think, invalid, man. That's it. The moment you say the word I think in trading, it's over. That analysis is invalid. You don't want to think, man. You're going based off feelings. You want to see. You want to see. You do not want to think. When you think in FX, it does not work out because you're going for your emotions. So one day you might feel gold's bullish because you want buys and there's clean traffic to the left. One day you might want to sell because there's more clean traffic going down. You don't want to feel. You want to see. Feelings don't matter in trading. I haven't thought since 2019. Exactly. All I do is see. It's a beautiful morn. It's a beautiful morn. It's a beautiful morn. Oh wow. I was joking, but it is a beautiful morn. What is comics? Comics is the commodity exchange open. So with the commodity exchange open, that's when you typically notice some volume here. So in a minute here, you may see some volume. But there's no difference in the comics open and just NY open, NYC open, because it just brings in volume, right? You still need to make sure that price action lines up with the comics open. So yeah. Looks like we're not gonna close above here, so we're gonna have to wait for our next 5-minute candle. But chat, hey man, it's not worse than saying, yo chat, now I gotta wait for the next 30-minute candle here. You know, it's only 5 minutes, so you guys have patience. It's only a 5-minute time from candle, so it'll be fine.
Seems like no position. Oh.
Seems like no position like Friday.
You had that on by accident. You might think, bro, think he Darth Vader. Okay, comics open, and he had that little push up. All right, now will we hold above? Will we respect this resistance and drive up, or will we just hit the or come back down? What will happen here? What will happen here? Bro, think he Darth Vader for real.
I got like three pages worth of sound bites down. Okay. And then there's the on and off button for every page.
Rick's prepared for Asian session tonight, man. He prepared.
No, I'm not doing none of this shit in Asia. All of this was supposed to be for your stream.
Oh. Heard. Yo, Chad, did you just hit break even there? I think you guys might be good here. If he hasn't hit break even. Comments didn't flip bearish. Breaking the highs here. You may see it push up. I got 4 minutes to wait though. But I don't think you guys hit break even, right? Because Grand would have been on the opening here. And this thing came down to like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Like, yeah, maybe like 3 pips away. Maybe spreads would have got you. Not too sure. I'm not in. I can't tell you guys. You hit B. Oh, okay. Nice work though. Yeah. How big are these stops here if we close above around 40 pips? 37, not too bad. Not too shabby.
Coming up.
Delete. The difference between today and Friday is that Friday you had news, today you don't have news, so it's better. If this is Friday, right now you wait for a 5-minute closure above, but in 5 minutes you also have news. Like, oh fuck, you can't trade it. That's the difference.
Friday was like, all right, we got to wait for this 4-hour close.
Yeah,
But it's like, just wait 5 minutes.
things are gonna pick up. But do you guys see how, like, even though we're trading to 5, like, we took account for the 1 hour time frame? Like, did you guys take that in? Like, it's not just like, oh yeah, the 5 and that's all we look at. Like, look at the 1 hour time frame. Look at what it did. Bottom wick, that stuff still applies. Before candle, respect the support. Like, these things still, we still take them into account. A lot of people are saying it's new to them. It's not. It's not very new, man. It's not. We're just applying the same concept on a different time frame, or we're adding a little extra time frame to it. Don, it's almost 8:30. Would you wait for the? I wouldn't mind 8:25. I wouldn't mind 8:25. Because the 1 hour is still bullish, right?
It's that 8:55. That's
8:55.
you might as well. You might as well, yeah. I might as well wait for the 4 hour because it's right there.
Only 4 hour. Like I'm okay with like 55 8 here, but or not 8. Sorry, 7 and 6 and such, but and 9 and 10. But the 45 at 8:45 to 9, I'm being cautious of because that's a 4 hour close. What was the entry? We had no entry. I got no entry, man. I'm waiting here. The last time I had entries were Friday. I'm waiting here for this closure, and then we'll be in. But you have about a minute and a half left, so we shall see. See, right? Not think. We will see where it closes. Yo, chat, if you guys are enjoying the streams today, man, I appreciate you being here today. As always, love you guys. Thank you. If you guys can leave a like on the streams.
Or drop a like, sub to the channel.
Yeah, pushing 40K. We might get some positions here too.
Pushing buys. 30 seconds.
Yeah. What's the streak right now on stream?
10, 11.
On stream, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on stream, and in the signals channel, we are, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, something like that. 5 close. Once the 5 closes, chat, I'll be in a position. All right, 5 is closed. Got on some buys here. Off the 5 close. So these are the buys we got into. Target is roughly going to be up here for 48 or 42. Stops are down here for 38. Target is 1880.900, and stop loss is around 1872.767. All right, so that was what we're waiting for all morning. We waited for a closure above there. We finally got it. So now it's time to actually execute. Yeah, stops are below his ranges here, chat, because if you break below his ranges here, right? If you break below this level here, at that point, you'll see price probably drive down towards 1869. There's no reason to be in this trade here, below here, because at this point, the trade is just off. Like, it's going the other way afterwards, right? Yeah, I'll say break-even point would be anywhere above, like right around here, chat. 1878, I'll say. Or even like right here. 1878, 400, that'll be my break-even point. At that point, I'll be risk-free, okay? Yeah. Something like that. Let me just add this. Okay, cool. Who saw us break even at 1878? 8.401. Cool. Why chat get so quiet for it, guys? It's okay. You guys gotta get quiet. Make sure, guys, you know, stops are a bit bigger in this case, but make sure you just adjust your risk accordingly, right? Obviously, the bigger the stops for you, the more or the smaller lots will typically be. This trade, I'm risking roughly, I think of this account, 2%. And then overall, in terms of FX funds, it's around 1%. Around there. Or lower. Around there though. So I'm risking like roughly 1 or 2% on this trade here. $36,000 beats per minute. Yeah, nah, if you have that, man, your heart rate right now, chat, should nowhere near be around the 80 mark. Okay, if it's around the 80 mark, then your loss size might be a bit too big. Your beats per minute right now should be like minimum, like maybe max peak like 70, man. If it's above 70, you're a bit too emotional. Oh, also this trade here, chat. So it's a stream trade. So what date's today? 1/9/2022. It's 8:25, I believe. We took the trade. 8:25. New York Open. Gold buys, or not New York Open, but New York breakout off of the flip and the 5, and basically full. Cool. So that's that trade. Singles channel, same thing. 1/9/2022. 8:5. New York gold buys, breakout, flip, and the 5 and full, and we shall see what happens. You have 8 seconds left for a third closure. The third closure looks like it's gonna close above this resistance, so I mean,
still respecting.
Same level, basically. Nothing really changes about the trade.
But because the 30 closed, you could get a steeper bottom wick here, but just to still drive.
Yeah. You want this 5 to flip though.
You have a plan for adding positions?
No, stops are a little wide in this case. I don't know. Maybe we've come down to. We'll see. As of right now, like there's nothing I can do. Like if you break below 47, like to here maybe. But
47?
18.74, 31. We'll see. I need to see an onion or something form there, or close there, and then pop back up.
Yeah.
I wouldn't add on to break it to highs or anything. I'll just leave this. I'll leave this position here.
No, I'm actually talking about drawdown.
Yeah, like there might be some reaction here at these levels if the price does come down towards there. I need to see an onion or something maybe.
Onion or a fake out on the small time frame?
Yeah. Very nice bottom wick. Our stops are also pretty logical too, chat. It's a 1 hour stop / 30-minute stop / like 5-minute stop. So it's like it's a pretty good stop to have, because you understand that once that actually breaks, we'll be going the other way, or at least coming down further. So you don't want to have a stop bigger than that. Capiche. You flip here and break the highs
Gold
here.
will sell. Gold might sell.
I mean,
might buy.
Gold can sell. I ain't tripping.
It can sell in about 10 pips. After we get 10 pips and close the position, it can sell. Chat gets quiet during trades. Yeah, it's a standard operating procedure. That's the SOP.
Yeah, we're on like a 12 streak right now, chat. So, like, you know, just because we're on a streak doesn't mean like every trade we take will, you know, just know. Streaks are important. Doesn't matter what streak you're on. Any trade could be a loss. Or what you should be saying to yourself is every trade is a new every trade is a new idea. Like, it doesn't matter what happened last trade, the trade beforehand. Every trade should have its own idea, right?
But if it's the same trade you've taken over and over and it's won over and over and over, how are you lacking confidence?
Yes.
Right? I don't see a reason to lack confidence unless it's you haven't won the position over and over, but you've just like copied us over and over, then yeah.
Like
But
this
if you're
trade.
understanding, if you're understanding the position, if you're to your positions, then how are you not confident? How are you doubting this position? That's what I'm.
Like this
You're
trade
sitting in
here.
drawdown, but you're still ahead probability-wise. So how are you doubting it?
This trade here, chat, was a flip, right? We took the flip like I think this year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times so far this year. Yeah, so it's like it's taking it many times. The flip. It wasn't really the break at highs, was it? It was just a flip, yeah.
Yeah, but it's still a high probability trade, and we won this many times.
Yeah.
Why question yourself in drawdown when your probability says you're ahead? Oh, boom, coming up. I'm gonna go break even.
What'd you peak there? You got 10, right? You got a better entry than me.
Got 10. Got 10
think
flat. but
yeah,
I
you got
didn't
better
close
entry than me.
anything. I didn't close anything.
I had peak maybe like 7. Yeah, my break-even point initially is like around the 1878.337ish level. If you break the highs, your chat, if you break the highs here, you may see us spike up to tap like the 1878.337 mark. And at that point, you'll be break even because you'll see that initial push and break the highs here. If price breaks the highs, right? If not, it will break the highs. If you'll see a push here, it should be like a nice 10 pip push going up towards those ranges there.
I'm at 8 pips here.
Also, I didn't talk about this, but as in like in managing risk wise, like if we were to manage risk here, and like let's say like price closes bearish on the 1 hour, or the closes bearish on the 1 hour, or like the below like 73, or maybe the 1 hour candle closes or 30 closes below like 76, we may look to manage risk. But that is my plan for managing risk. Right off the 1 hour close. The good thing about this is that the forward candle, as long as it closes bullish, technically, like remember how I said it found support here? Any given point, the next forward candle could look to drive back up to retest the highs, because if this is your support on the 4 hour time frame, and the next 4 hour resistance is up here at the 88 mark, what you may see for the next forward candle that it might do is you may see something like this as it pushes up to fill those ranges. So yeah, the 1 hour and the 1 hour and 30 is still going to be the 4 hour close as well. Yeah, this 5-year close, still respecting the support level. Again, it's more so of like a 1 hour stop, so I'm not really too concerned. You hit BRX?
Yeah.
Yep.
Because here's the thing, we made a high, came back down, and then we rebroke the high. Once it rebroke the high, it didn't matter if it was 10 pips, 8 pips. I just figured, rebroke the high, should drive. It's gonna come back down. It'll re-break the low for a steeper wick. I mean, you're still ahead, right? But you're just sitting in drawdown. Look for a closure.
We
above the
add?
current.
No, I don't have plans to add anything right now. This is one position. Just one position. We'll just be their first loss of 2023?
Nah, I don't think so.
Or will this be another win for 2023? We will find out in the next episode of Trading with Don. Delete.
See? Told you. Damn, chat. Imagine if every time we took a W after those 125 Ws, we were like, see? Told you. Told you. And then those 39 times that we have a loss. I don't know. It's tough when people are like, oh, you don't know what the fuck you're doing. Meanwhile, you know, we're 125 and 39 here. It would be like, it would be like listening to the guy that has the 39 wins and 125 losses. It would be like listening to the opposite. Don't do this. It's not the trade that raises Don's heart rate, it's the chat. Facts.
Yeah, Chad, there should be no like when you get into a trade, there's only two outcomes. You guys know that, right? There's no like surprises. It's either you get a win or a loss. But you know how much you're losing. And you typically will know how much you're winning. So when you're in a trade, as long as you didn't enter that trade impulsively and it was part of your plan, it doesn't really matter what happens. It doesn't really change the outcome of it then, because you're still taking this in trades tomorrow, right? And that's like the way like your mind should process trades when you take trades. As long as you're not taking trades going against your plan that's outside of your playbook or a trade you haven't taken before, you should understand that there's not much you can do about it, aside from the fact that or aside from managing risk. Nice to common drawdown. Well, I'm explaining to you guys right now. It's like I've taken this trade before so many times in the past, and like this trade won't affect. Like let's say it's a loss, like it wouldn't affect the way I trade. Like we've taken losses before, but we took the same trade the next day, right? Like there's a reason our win rate is high. So it's like doesn't matter what happens in this trade. The next trade, I'll be taking the exact same trade the next time as well. Like I won't change my strategy. Like I'm not gonna be impulsive to change my strategy or change the way I trade off of one loss, right? It's just like, I know how much I'm risking. I'm risking like 2% of it, like roughly 1.8% of this account, or 2%. It's if I lose a trade, it's an 8K loss. But
he has the comfort of confidence.
Yeah.
You know, he knows this wins. You gotta.
It's not gonna change my way of trading or anything. It's just it's another day in the markets, right? But what you don't want to do is you don't want to be like delusional. Like this trade must win. Like that's what I'm not telling myself. What I'm telling myself is that off of what I saw, it's a high probability trade setup off of our stats, but there's no guaranteed, because the moment you're delusional about it, you're gonna start to over risk, and you don't want to do that.
Really high chance this trade wins, but you also have to always leave room in your analysis
For error.
For a chance, for a chance that this can go against you.
Yeah.
That's the reason he's not risking the fucking, the house on this trade.
Even if this trade has a 100% setup, like yes, especially last year, there's trades that had like this setup, this trade setup, I think it has like a 5 has a 75, the flip has a 76, and the breakout has a 73. So it's a pretty high probability trade, but it doesn't mean like I'm gonna go full send and risk all my whole account on this trade, right? You just want to be patient, stay calm, collective, understand that this trade won't make or break you. Like you're not gonna become a full-time trader after one trade. If that's your intentions, then this industry might not be it.
Damn it, I quit that.
You know, like Like this trade shouldn't break your account. This trade shouldn't like change your life or anything. It should just be another day trading. That's all that is. And like if you don't like the trade, then manage risk. But yeah. If you don't like the trading close there around the break-even point, right? But I mean, I'm still in. The trust is in higher time frames. Peak viewers? Oh shit, that's not good. Wait, we have peak viewers? That is not good. The last time we had peak viewers, it was the loss. The last time before that, it was the loss. The last time we had peak viewers was June. And I think, if I'm not wrong, the trade we had in June with peak viewers was like, I think this one. Or no, not June. I think it was like maybe March. I think it was this one. March 31st or something. Or May 31st. Sheesh. Yeah, nah, chat. At this point, chat, you probably want to manage risk, you know? You probably want to close off here. You have 15 closure here, chat, in about 2 minutes here. So it looks like this 15 is gonna close. Well, let's see how it closes. But again, I said how I was on manage risk off the 30 and 1 hour, right? You can manage risk off the 15 if you'd like to. I'm gonna manage risk off the 30 and 1 hour. It's a higher time frame. It's also gonna be the 4 hour close as well. That's my reasoning behind it. But you can do you, boo. You're long now? Okay, not too bad. FOMO? FOMO of what? FOMO of seeing drawdown? Who has FOMO of seeing drawdown? You have FOMO of in profit.
FOMO if you're not in the trade. You're missing out on this drawdown.
Yep. Let's see, the flip was... I think, chat, even if like I didn't take the... Because like, I think, remember how earlier we mentioned how like we wanted buys above here in the 5? Above this candle? But even if I took that one, I would have closed that one off. And then I would have taken another position here anyways after. Another closure above. You have the onion here. If you come down and break the lows here, and then reflip on this 5, because the candle has no bond wick, right? So technically, you may see a bond wick on the 5. If it comes down, creates a bond wick, and then reflips bullish, we may have another position potentially. But we shall see. I'll let you guys know what I do. Can you analyze CAD GPY? I'll analyze it after. We're in this trade right now, so yeah, we gotta see how it plays out, right? I gotta lock it in. Song's a banger. You're out, right? What?
Yeah.
Nice.
I had BE a while back, but I'm pretty sure you're good here, and I'm gonna wait till this 4 hour closes here.
Yeah. You would want this 4 hour close bullish, chat. Obviously, if you hit stops beforehand, the 4 count can't close the bullish, right? Because it'll be a bearish, it'll flip bearish. But our stops is typically where the 4 flip is, the lows. again, chat, just because I'm waiting for the 1 hour and 30 doesn't mean you can't manage risk however you want to manage risk, right? You don't have to hold until, you don't gotta do exactly what I do. Again, this is your trade at the end of the day. Should be more patient winners and losers. No, you should go based off of price action. You shouldn't have any emotional relationship with drawdown or profits. You should be following price action.
Should understand that drawdown does not equate to losing position. Drawdown is part of trading, right? It doesn't mean that the probability of you winning has gone down or gotten any worse. The only time that happens is if you break certain levels that go against you, close below certain levels that aren't in your direction. But outside of that, you should have, drawdown should not bring out any emotion out of you because it's part of trading. You care where the candles close and where they go, which levels they break. The few small ticks up and down, it's irrelevant.
Yeah, your picture.
You see a lot of times drawdown will bring out emotions out of you that have no business being there. You need to, put your trust in the higher time frames, first of all. Second of all, if you were a computer, you wouldn't get emotional, right? When you're in drawdown, you would wait till the parameters broken, met. Nothing, no parameters were met or broken there. Right? Just spend some time in drawdown. The computer would do the same thing in profit. When you drive, they'd manage it only once the parameters are met. Stop being emotional. Stop being, stop listening to that inner bitch, and just be logical. Make sense.
Yeah, you want to think like an algo when you trade. You what does an algo do? It just follows, like Wick says, it follows numbers.
Follows
Set of rules that you set the algo to do, right? That's how it is to trading too. Like whatever I said earlier in terms of like managing risk, in terms of stops to break even at certain levels, or managing risk and drawdown is whatever I'm gonna do. That is what I'm gonna do, and that's why I say beforehand, because you understand that there shouldn't be any emotions involved in it.
Hey, breaking the highs. Woohoo!
All right, chat. At this point, almost there, almost tapping that level. All right, chat. At this point, I'm gonna move these stops to break even here. Make this a risk-free trade. You're on to the last 10 minutes here of this 1 hour close. So at this point, you want to move stops to break even. I didn't close anything just yet. I will wait for this 1 hour close if price does. I will wait for this 1 hour close if price does hit break even, which it just did. So look, just hit break even here. However, look, you're on to the last 15 minute of this 1 hour candle. So at this point, you want to wait for the 1 hour close. Yeah. If the 1 hour close is above, I'll say it now. I'll move it up to here above this zone. We'll take another position at 9 a.m. So in about 10 minutes here, we might get another position. Especially with the fact that the 4 hour candle closed bullish as well. Because look at the 4 hour close. If the 4 hour candle closes bullish here in 8 minutes here, what you're going to see is you're going to see price candle form a support here. And you may see price just tend to pop up and fill the next resistance, which looking left, I believe it was 1888 because of the range we're in right now, right? So if I were to mark the support up like this, chat, for you, and then I were to have this resistance up here, the next resistance, that's the range we're in right now. Because look, last time price closed back into the range here, what happened? It closed bullish, drove up towards 1888. So you would assume the same thing would happen again today if this 4 candle were to close above as well to follow its trend from last week, the weekly and daily bias. But you need a closure first, right? So that's what we're gonna wait for next. So I wouldn't freak out if I were you guys. And then we'll manage it then. We'll look for positions then. All right. But this trade hit break even for me. I think we maybe secured a bit in profit, but basically break even trade. Nothing, nothing. We're not gonna be too whatever about it. And then we will 39. Cool, chat. Cool. Yeah, I think we broke the curse though, chat. Well, maybe the day's not done yet. The curse of peak viewers.
Do we have peak viewers today?
We did. Your camera's blurry. Let me just go ahead and record that trade there. So chat, if you guys have a journal, this is how you use a journal, right? So this is our journal here. It shows our stats for the year, right? Our record for the streams, 125 wins, break evens, all that. You go into journal, you go on this, you fill in the blanks, and then you put here, since that was break even, you'll count that as 0 pips, and then it shows break even. All right. So there's that. And since I'm on a stream, there's also a link to the page as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and link that. And that was 825. And then now the stats should update, and it shows instead of 58 break evens, it shows 59 break evens. So the record here, I actually gotta change that real quick. The record here is 125, 59, and 39. And then the monthly record, I believe that's our 4th break even. There's that. And then the signals channel, they hit break even as well. So gotta go and put that in. Break even. And then that's their stats for the year. For the last 2 years.
What's going on with this fucking camera? Come on, Logitech.
Yeah, we got the journal. The journal's free. You guys can take advantage of the journal. It's all free. We give it lots of for free. The journal, the playbook, and we're gonna have a nice website that's free as well coming in like the next 2 weeks. Amazing website. I'm excited for it. It's gonna be beta pips, but our version of beta pips with our content only and concepts and everything you need to know from everything that I know. I'll give you
Daddy
guys.
Pips. It's gonna be called Daddy Pips.
That's what it's called. Cool. Like chat, I know some of you guys like close fold 2 at 10 there, or some of you guys didn't move styles break even, like whatever you do, man, this is your trade now. You can do whatever you want with it. You don't gotta follow my steps. This is just what I did, what I do, and what I will continue to do going forward. I know some people took profits there. Congrats. Some people got better entries than me. Congrats. Some people just closed full here. Congrats. But again, like if you move stocks to break even and you hit break even and you see your price going up now, you shouldn't feel the urge to re-enter here, or you shouldn't feel the urge to have FOMO. You made your decision already, bro. You closed at break even. You can't say I shoulda, woulda, coulda. You're done. On to that next idea. Like my mind isn't even on this trade anymore. My mind's on to the next idea at 9, all right?
Forgot about that shit.
You want to have a short memory, yeah. But if you follow your rule and your plan wasn't to move stocks to break even, you close full, W. But you don't want to be the guy that says shoulda, woulda, coulda, because you're not going to develop a proper trading plan going forward ever. Because you're always gonna run in circles, man. Always gonna chase something, chase a strategy, chase a pip, chase a dollar. Doesn't work. BNG's gonna be a range 2. I mentioned GJ being a range 2 below here, right? I mentioned if you close below here, this would be your position, because this formed the range 2 for you right now. Because you form resistance, support here, right? And then you form resistance. So that's basically a range formed. You close below here, you should technically continue to drive. That's our price did. Hey, what happened to the guy that said told you so? he dipped. He definitely dipped, bro. He dipped. They always, chat. Like, that's why you should never listen to others, and you should always trust your own analysis. Always, no matter how successful you think the other guy is. I don't care if he's your mentor. You always trust your own analysis. I'm using BlueberryMarkets. Wixnot is using a trader's domain. Yeah. You always have the advantage of having a better entry there. I was on stream talking, and you just gotta click a button. I was typing this out, that now.
It's not gonna be disappointed. We're gonna get the same trade again.
Yeah, let's give it like 3 minutes here. There's no need to I'm phone and then you guys are too emotional, man. You guys need to relax. Yo, never tell a girl to relax, by the way, chat.
Oh.
Never tell a girl to relax. You
Big
need to
no,
calm
big
down.
no.
You need to if you say this first, you need to
Big
calm
no.
down, you need to relax. Yeah, bro. That relationship is going downhill spiral.
Wixie's trading you for entering trades on TD? No, I use 75 to enter trades. I just use trading you for the breakdowns. I chart on trading you. No.
Can you calm down? Can you relax? True, one relationship shut down. Yo, me and Wix, we're gonna make a relationship channel. We'll give advice. Yo, Wix gives some good advice about have a significant other though. Good advice. You should have a channel for that, Wix. You should do some wisdom for that. Forget trading, bro.
Nah, I like my life.
Yo, who's up? Yo, what's that thing? Chat. It's called. I think it's called Red Table or something like that. Who runs it?
Yo, G, it was nothing but good things. It was always good things.
Jada. Yeah, she runs it. Happy wife, happy life. True. Hey, this forward close. I want this forward close above or like below leaving out wick fill. I don't want it to close right at resistance here.
The algo with girlfriend, no emotion. Sorry, baby. No dinner today. The parameters weren't met. Your dress did not close above. So.
All right, you got a closure here, chat. Yeah, so it looks like you have all this room going up towards like 1880.800 now. The forward candle closed above as well. Again, the forward candle closing above this resistance is very key too. It now has room and time and space to drive up towards the next resistance, which is up here at the 1889 mark, 1890, 1889 mark. So at this point, we can probably look for buys, but let's see. I mean, this 9 a.m. candle just opened up here. I'll probably wait for some bottom wick on a 4-hour candle because it's a new forward candle. If it wasn't a forward candle, I wouldn't mind entering on the flip, but it's a new forward candle. I would expect the bottom wick. So I'm looking at like maybe 1876 390, 1876 500ish before we start to head back up. But probably bosses on the flip if you come down and break the lows here, bosses on the flip would be perfect to drive up. And you can probably target like anywhere. You can probably target the 4-hour highs here, 81, or we can probably target like 18. Let's see, how's the 1-hour look?
Ding ding.
I'm gonna turn that off, man.
God.
Santa, man.
Wouldn't be that bad if you could do like other things, like if you would just like parachute down or something.
Yeah, like go on a candle or something, like ride the candle, you know?
Or jump on a rocket ship. I want to see him going like diagonal across the screen. He's always like,
yeah, like 1883-ish. You can probably target here. 1883, I'll say. Not too bad, not too bad.
Weeks, how long does your withdrawal transfers take with Trader's Domain? A few days.
Using Savvy? Have you tried Savvy out?
Yeah.
How's it work?
Savvy.
If you use crypto, it's intermediate. It's immediate.
It's fucking. It's a wire. It's immediate. How do you do it? Like a wire transfer is immediate, right? Like you send a wire and it shows up in the other bank. That's it.
So I don't understand Savvy. Can you explain Savvy? I've
The crypto wallet. So you do a wire into Savvy, and then Trader's Domain is also a client of Savvy, right? So you basically have an account with Savvy. Trader's Domain has an account with Savvy, and then you just send the money through Savvy, and when they see it, they deposit money into your account. And it's fast too. It's fast as hell.
Interesting. Yeah, because when I left TD, they didn't have Savvy. They had Savvy like maybe the last 2 months or so. Are you gonna create a bottom wick here, or will we not? If it drives, it drives.
How much money would you trust in one account with Trader's Domain? I mean, I go to them to trade, right? So the amount of money I'd want to trade, that's how much money I put in there. It's like I don't know. Do you go to your doctor and question what he says and be like, I don't trust him? Why do you go to that doctor, right? If I didn't trust him, I wouldn't put $3 in there, right? It's like people go to the pharmacist and the pharmacist gives you meds and tells you directions on how to take them, and you're like,
want to take a lower dose?
I don't know if he's telling me the truth. Let me go, you know.
Let me take 100 milligrams instead of 200 milligrams.
Yeah, like I don't trust this pharmacist. What? He's giving you why are you going to him if you don't trust? I don't trust it. I don't trust the ATM word. Yo, Lil Ted, who's that? MM? I think MM is Lil Ted. Yo, MM, if you saw my Wix Wisdom 3, I think, or number 2, I say just that I go to the ATM. And I told her right away, he gave me money. I was like, no, I don't know. I got trust issues. I got to count this shit. I don't trust nobody, not even the ATM. But hey, at some point, like you go to a doctor for a reason, right? You trust them for their analysis. Like you want to see what the doctor says. You trust them as a doctor. Same thing here. Like you trade on a platform that you trust. Otherwise, why are you trading there at all, right? Doesn't matter if it's $100, $10,000, whatever. Million. It's not a surprise attack. That's called prophylactic.
All right, yo, chat. You got a bottom wick here. I am just waiting for we don't got a bottom wick. You gotta close it. I'm waiting for a bottom wick because once you get a bottom wick, I'll be fine for an entry on the flip. But I really want to see like 18.76 here before we get any positions in, getting tapped. So I'll be waiting for that personally. This is the bottom wick, and it might not come. Understand that when you're waiting for things to happen, it may not come, but that doesn't mean you go against your plan after because you don't get your position that you wanted. Yeah, we can come down, break the lows here. I'll have a buy stop.
My girl's a doc, a technician, an accountant, chef. I don't need no doc. She's all in one. Yeah, but do you really want to trust a doctor who's also a chef and an accountant? You really want to be sitting in a doctor's office while your doctor's doing accounting in the other room? Nah.
But your doctor's not a lawyer, though. I mean, your girl's not a lawyer, though. You're missing that one.
Word. So
yo, but does your girl speak 4 languages? Man, you just have this guy come to the shooters chat. Actually, never mind. Word.
I don't know who to trust. That's why I'm asking around with people who have bigger guns, see what brokers they trust with. Just see which brokers will give withdrawals. If a broker is paying people out, that's who you should go with.
Pushing. Or IGZO broker. I've heard of them. Yo, how's Pepperstone doing, chat? Anyone do Pepperstone? Can we hit TP? I guess we gotta find out. I lose when I trust someone's analysis. I would love to know why. Maybe
You just
the
said
guy
why.
you're trusting. Yeah, you're trusting someone's analysis. Trust your own analysis. Why are you trusting someone else's analysis? I don't trust anyone's analysis. I don't care for anyone else's analysis. It's not an ego thing. It's more so of I've been in the
You
industry
actually identified why you lose, and then you're not believing yourself. You're like, no, wait, that can't be it. Why do I lose? Stop trusting people's analysis and do your own work. You can incorporate people's ideas, right, to see how they would work within your trading, but to completely blindly, you know, without being in tune, you know, just
imagine if I took a trade here, chat, and the next thing I did was that guy who came in earlier, he's like, you will lose. Imagine I just closed off because I was scared after. Like, I would have just lost the trade, right? So like, you never want to trust someone's analysis ever, bro. They'll be otherwise, man. You'll be taking every position someone else tells you. Do you know the amount of spam in the chat I get every day of people saying buy here, go to this target, go to that target, sell here, buy? You know, you don't want to do that. Your trades are always break even. Why? Actually, in the last 2 years, year and a half, 1 month, only 39 trades have been break even.
yeah,
125
right,
or sorry, 59 of them have been break evens. 125 have been wins and 39 has been losses. So for you to say always, I'm not sure what you're referring to. Maybe today we got one break even trade, but you know what it is as well? You might be a stream hopper, man. You gotta come into the streams every day. You might be a stream hopper.
4K?
Might be hopping from this stream to that stream, and every time you hop on this stream, you get break even when you're not locked in all the time to the streams. No, you can't just see one trade and say why your trade's always this. Don, why do you always do this? Like,
There's a record on
like,
stream.
You know, you can't just base off of one trade.
What happened for the last 2 weeks? Have you not been here for the last 2 weeks, or for the last week at least? All the last weeks were dubs.
Yes. This
Were you
year's
not here?
dubs.
He was probably hopping streams. Or were you not here all of December? Like, for you to say that, you must have not been here. And if you haven't been here, why are you speaking on things you don't know?
Oh, this is perfect. Resistance form here. This is perfect, chat. You close above 1878 here, I'll take buy. I will take another position, and we'll have stops like roughly below like this candle here or this candle here for 42 pips, and then we can target like the 1883 mark that we had mentioned. So then target going up will be like around 50 pips, I believe. Right? You have all that range going up, so could be close to positions here.
Hopping and blowing. Can you explain what a break even? Oh, Jesus.
Break even is
When you break even. I mean, that's it.
break even is you break even. You don't win, you don't lose, and it's
Didn't make no money.
zero trade. Yeah, no break. You know, do you guys watch football? I mean, soccer.
Like a tie. Like a
Do
tie.
you guys ever watch soccer? Well, in soccer, when you watch soccer, the moment
It's almost like
it's a
football, but
tie,
with your
you get
feet.
1 point. But as in the record, in soccer, it counts as a tie. In soccer. You guys are arguing about soccer or football. Do you guys see the logo here? What does this logo? Chat. What does this logo stand for? Major League Soccer. Not Major League Football. Like, this is without this league, this is the most influential league in the world of soccer of all time.
Remember when what's his name played there? Uh,
Who, David Beckham?
buddy. Remember when what's his name played there in the prime of their career? No, MLS had some big stars for like a year. We had Rooney, we had Henry, we had Zlatan, right? Zlatan was there. Then they had they're all, yeah, everyone that's past their prime comes here because they get paid here to play past their prime.
Oh, 1 minute for a closure here, guys. You got a bottom wick and a 4-hour candle. You also have a 1-hour bottom wick as well, and you're about to close bullish above. If you close bullish above his zone here, you can just take a buy after, have a stop below the previous zone, and target like 1883. And then you have all this clean traffic to take advantage of going up towards 1880 before you start to tap some type of level. So you have plenty of ranges here. But you have a minute and a half here, so. Or I guess not. We might not get a closure above here. Might be 820, 8 or 930 NYC open. What does the FIFA stand for then? It stands for when you type football in the emojis and on your Apple phone, it shows the football first, no? FIFA means football is false advertisement. That's what football means. FIFA means football is false advertisement.
It's Feds investigating fraudulent activity. Finally, I'm fucking awake.
Chat, you guys know it's not that serious, right, chat? Football, soccer, not that serious, yo.
What?
You guys need to relax.
To jail over a goal.
I can't believe people actually argue about this. It's like arguing. Like, I don't know. You guys on trolling, right? I'm just trolling. It's definitely called soccer.
Not even a question.
This is a nice bottom wick. Nice, 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 nice. Nice, 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 nice. Well, we got 5 ranges. We've been looking at this for the last like 3 months. This is all we've been taking this year.
Oh, football means a fucking weirdly shaped ball.
Football. Accidentally close your buy. Why? What'd you do? How do you accidentally close it? Did you close it because you were feeling impulsive? And then you're like, oh fuck, it's still going up now.
Damn it, my dog set a cell stop.
Yo, like, so the craziest shit, the craziest excuses ever. Yo, my cat clicked the buy button 10 times and now it just alerts my account. I made bare money off of it, you know?
My wizard buttons are Mao activated. Meow.
I just picked that, didn't.
Yeah, man, they make this shit look good.
Guys, can't we just appreciate the fact that Soccer is so famous that you can call it football too.
Where that it made its way all the way to Europe,
Yeah,
and now
like-
the Europeans can play it.
Yeah, like you guys should be appreciating that. Like Europe gets to call it football.
Yeah, you guys truly do live in an amazing time. I mean, you have soccer, you have the New York session stream, you have the
Word.
Asian stream. Not like, I mean,
Or
doesn't get better than this.
okay, yo, real question. What will happen in the market if any trader uses the same strategy? Nothing. There won't be manipulation. If that's the answer you want. You really think the markets will the market makers out there would really care if okay, maybe if everyone in the world maybe, but like a stream of like 1.8 thousand viewers, like you think that will affect the markets in any way, shape, or form? No, there's tons of orders every day, like tons of orders right now with people trading what we are without using our strategy, like at the same price point. Like nothing will happen, man. The market's been around for years, and price action has always been here. Let me just remove this line real quick so you guys don't get confused. Eyes above here. Did you have that go by? Yeah, hit break even like 20 minutes ago. Hit break even like 25 minutes ago.
How come nobody told me?
We moved stocks to break even like 850. 850 moved stocks to break even. Then it drove another 50 pips or 30 pips, 20 pips. But no, break even. I'm waiting for this for a bond wick to be created, and then for more buys above 1878 here.
Sitting there wondering why no one's celebrating.
Yeah. Should be a very nice flip once you do flip. Nah, I'm pretty sure out of the trillions of dollars being traded in the currency market, they're coming for a $50 stop. Yo, they definitely got me when I first started trading.
Oh, they got all my first accounts.
Bro, when I had like, yo, the markets came after my 20 pip stop, my $20 stop.
Imagine, imagine the banker at that point just going home, going boom, got his 20. Just
Yes.
laughing all the way home. Honey, guess what? Put on the red panties. We're celebrating today. Got his 20, baby. I got his 20. Honey?
Pocket. My man.
We made it.
Word.
These just jokes, Chad. These is just jokes. Guys are too serious.
For real, like.
You're like, my wife don't even have red pee. Like, what do I tell her?
Yo, what are you doing today?
I can't tell you.
Alright. You know when those, yeah. You know those videos, chat, those videos when you're watching YouTube and they're like, oh, what do you do for a living? They're driving a supercar. The guy goes, I make money. You know damn well what they do.
Hell yeah, valet the fucking car. You should ask the next person getting in. Make
Are
money.
us millionaires? No. But maybe by the age of 34, 36, I will be a millionaire, a multi-millionaire. Are the gray lines going across key levels? No, the gray lines
No,
going
that's
across.
the 50-yard line, 40-yard line, 30-yard line. The 20-yard lines up there.
It's support resistance. That's all that is. Support resistance. Just marking up the levels that price is respecting versus levels that price is not respecting, right? That's all that is.
No, chat. You see the red line right there
Word.
on his screen? That's the. Hold on. This is how it technically should be. It's the red line right here. Oh, I don't see what they're seeing. See, technically this is the line right here. And then this line right here. It's like this. And then this line is like this.
And then you got
And there's a black line right here. Wait, you can't see that one. Circle right here and right here.
What are you drawing, bro? Oh. Okay, it's a hockey
What do you
rink. Okay.
What you mean? About to
Nothing.
score a goal right now. Oh, I can't do that. There's no ovals here?
You can make the oval with the.
No, I'd have to erase the thing. I can't do this. That's a weird ass hockey. You see, chat? So once you pass the red line here, all right, right here, it means you have a breakaway, okay? And if there's no, see, this level stops here, but if there's no level before the goal here, see, this is the goal. I don't know. This is the old school goal when they used to be triangles.
What the? Back in my day. Here we go again.
Yeah, right here. Back in my day, this shit used to be like this, right? This the rink in the hood. That's why it's a little crooked. See, but if this line right here is above the goal, then the chances of the puck driving to the goal are much higher, right? So if you pass from this position, you guys should be taking notes right now. I don't know why you guys are laughing. This isn't funny. You guys should be taking notes. So if you're getting a pass from below the red line, from the red candle, to back above the blue line here, right? In this area right here, right? That's an onside play, right? And you're getting no defense here because look, the last defender was right here, right here. And you're all alone to the net, clean traffic to the net. All of this is clean traffic to the net, no defense here.
That's good analysis, man.
Then you take your slap shot, right? Top of the circle. One timer, baby.
Yep.
Fuck
That's
the bottom
perfect.
wick.
That is perfect analysis.
Because you get a bottom wick there, you come back in, you're offside. It's a fake out.
Volleyball analysis.
Follow me for more breakdowns.
This is a volleyball analysis. So you got this is the rink, right? This is the court.
You see, somebody got it. In fact, he understood trading because of the hockey analysis.
This is the court for volleyball. You have the setter right here. This is the setter, right? And this is the receiver. The ball goes from here. It goes to the receiver. The guy serves it over. It goes to the receiver. The receiver has to pass it to the setter, right? And if the setter here fails to pop it back up, then the guy can't spike it over. But if the setter pops it back up, then you can spike the ball down to their end, which will tap up here into that zone. Any other terms, chat?
Wix is high.
Planet Tennis. What's the plan today, bud? Are you in any positions right now? My plan today is to come to the streams at 6:30, be patient for a trade. And if I don't get a trade, then I get no positions. If I do, then great. But I have no intentions to win a trade today or lose a trade today or to take a trade today. I have intentions to stick to my plan. So as of right now, I'm waiting here for this closure above. Maybe it might come in 5 minutes here, but
Yeah, I'm gonna run at the end of this 5 minute.
May get a trade, may not.
I'm gonna go at 9:30.
Really?
Yeah, I gotta bring my kid to the dock at 10, so I'm gonna be on the phone. But
all right, man. Good luck, soldier.
yeah.
So fun.
So
Oh no.
just don't have kids, and you don't have to go through this.
Yeah. What
You
sessions?
just buy a new one. Buy a grown one. Chat.
What sessions are best to trade on? There's no best session, right? Really. I just prefer trading the New York session. That's the session I'm up at. There's no best session.
Big convenience factor involved here.
Yes. You trade the session that you're up during. If you can't trade London and Asian or London and New York because you work during London and New York hours, then trade Asian.
As long as you're trading during a session, right? During market hours, not out of market hours.
You don't want to be trading
If you're
at
trading
5 o'clock.
Yeah, you don't want to be. You don't want to be in a trade at 5 p.m. Eastern. You know what I mean? But like, as long as you're trading during market hours, you're gonna have plenty of opportunities. That's why look, we've had plenty of opportunities in Asian. We've slayed Q4, right?
Yeah, we
so,
slayed December.
I mean, there's opportunities all the time. As long as the market is open and moving, there's opportunities. Just don't take every single tick, and market movement as an opportunity. Wait for yours, but there's plenty of them. Your last opportunity wasn't the last one altogether, Another one coming.
This is interesting, guys. You are like currently, yeah, I was looking at this just now. Look, you're respecting this resistance, right? Technically, this is your range 2 breakout below here for closures. You close below there, technically at any given point where you may see this price start to head down. Now, the question is clean traffic. Like, that's what you want to ask yourself. Where you have clean traffic till? You have a support at 1873 here, right? 0.84. So I'll say below this support, because you can also, like, I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame on my broker. You can also argue and say the 4-hour time frame has no top wick on BlueberryMarkets. Or in general, right? It has no, you can argue and say it has no top wick. So technically, at any given point, if you get a range 2 breakout, you can still execute sells. But I believe below here would be the better, will be much preferred sells below the support. Right, below 1873, you close below there. You should make your way down towards 1869 pretty nicely, and then 1865, etc. You want to see a closure, so we'll see. We'll see what happens here. You got 3 minutes left in this candle. Do you want to take a break on the 5, the onion? On the 5, I do take onions. I do. I just haven't had an opportunity to do so yet, so far on stream for you guys. We've only had 3 trades this year, chat, on stream, so you guys will see more ideas and concepts. Sure, as the year goes by. If there's traffic, you don't trade? No, because traffic indicates that we're in the range and there's no volume in traffic areas. Right, when you're on a group, when you're speeding down the highway and there's traffic, do you just run through the traffic? No, you gotta slow down. G-Don? What about GJ? This trade would hit break even probably for range 2 breakouts. This would have been a 50 pip drive. Would have hit break even. And I mean the forward close bearish. Yeah, I guess you can say it enters on the flip. I'll say you break below here though. You should be good for more sells. But I'm not really interested in GJ today. I'm just looking at gold. You know. I'm looking at my friend over here. How big is this range? 32 pips. Not too bad. Interesting. This 30 close right at support as well. Chat, if you guys feel bad or anything about today, like don't. We've been in the range basically all day. Like it hasn't been like the most volatile day, the cleanest day, but it was definitely so tradable. No, brother. If you look at our trades taken, it says gold buys, break even. That was a trade we took earlier. There's no buys, sells right now. Unless I tell you guys, there's nothing I'm in. You know what I mean? Is the 3 pip spread too much? For scalping, yeah, a bit. It's not the worst. I've seen worse. Like maybe 4 or 5 might be pushing it. 3 is doable. My spreads on gold right now is 1 pip. 1.2. 1.1. GJ is 0.03. It's very low. You just love these spreads. Right. Yeah, GJ spreads are tiny. Wow. I believe you had a 30 closure there too, right, chat? If I'm not wrong. Yeah, 30 bearish closure. This 5's about closing 27 seconds here. I'm trying to see if you can close below here. 614. Things will get interesting below there, but it looks like it's not. Yeah, it's not. 3, 2, 1. New 5 closure. Okay, cool. Can't do much here. Maybe the next 5. The screen layout is a bit offset. Did you know plans to change? Not really. Oh no, chat liked it. Call it? I'm not calling it. I'm calling it at like probably 10 or something, 10, 15. There's a volume for sure. We buying? You gotta buy yourself a headset to listen to the streams because it looks like you're not paying attention. That's what you gotta buy. Buy some earphones, bro. Man, come on. Come on, man. Yeah, chat, put yourself in my perspective, bro. Imagine you were streaming and people just had you on mute. Wouldn't you be frustrated, yo? I don't trade crypto, no. I don't trade crypto. I just buy and hold. I don't intraday trade crypto. You usually put on a trade personally, brother. We just took a trade on stream, brother.
Yo. And once this stream hits 3 hours, I'ma run.
It hit 3 hours
Once
already.
No. Oh, now it did. Boom. No, it didn't. It's hitting 3 hours right now.
How about 3 hours and 30 minutes? How about 10?
No, at 10 I gotta be there.
Oh, we have an appointment. Word, all right.
Yeah, no, I can't miss the kid's appointment. Be like, sorry, doc.
I was waiting for your study closure above the range.
It's not even me. If it was my appointment, I'd be like, sorry, doc, it's me, but it's for my kid. He's gonna be like, you serious? Because you miss it by 15 minutes, you're gonna be there for another like 3 hours, 4 hours, just
Yeah,
waiting.
that's how it works. Especially in Miami, huh?
Yeah, so
Everyone got a BBL appointment.
I'm out, but quick shameless Asian session plug, guys.
Yes,
We are
sir.
back for 2023. I will see you guys tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern. Be there. We're gonna continue. We're on our way to 5K subs. Probably get it tonight, if not tonight, tomorrow. But Asian session continues. Be there for the vibes. All right. Awesome. 8 p.m. Eastern. I'll see you guys there, and I'll drop a like and sub to the channel, and then go to my channel, sub over there, and this way you can turn on notifications and be notified when I'm on and live. But a lot
What's
of
the
you
channel
waited
for
this
Asian? It's Wix9 on
my
YouTube.
channel. A lot of you waited for this.
WIX9INE.
It's been 3 weeks, right? 16th was our last day. So
Lazy.
we are back for 2023. There's a method to my madness.
Okay.
All right. Good luck. I'll
Peace
see
out,
you guys.
man.
Well, no luck needed. I'll see you guys
I'm
later.
gonna hit you up later.
Yeah.
Drive safe.
That's not for me. That's for everyone else on the road.
Word. Be careful if you're in Miami.
Yeah, if you're in Miami right now and you're
Whoa.
on the roads, just park the car for now. I'm getting on. Been warned. Peace.
Peace out, bruv. Whoa. Wix9 just turned to Keyline. We got a substitution.
So
Messi for Neymar.
yeah, 90 plus 2 minute coming on.
3 hours in.
3 hours in, late change, hoping to impact the game. Ooh.
1,000 viewers equals $35 for FOREX niche. I mean, how much YouTube pays you? Huh? What? What?
Not enough. Susan's taken all of that.
Yo, chat. These sells are decent. I initially wanted this kind of break the highs. If you broke the highs here first and you flipped, wouldn't have been bad for sales coming down, but I might just wait for this next 5. And 1 second, and oh damn, you closed there, and you closed below. Let's see. Can I have? 1874.58. Let's see. Broke the highs. Nice. Let's see. You have 5 minutes for a 15 closure. Let's see. Okay, I got a sell stop here on the flip of this candle. 1874.58. If you break these highs here, the reason why I didn't really want once you break this highs here, I'll probably just delete them, because at that point you may see just come back into this range, and we'll wait for 10 a.m. Yeah, there we go. So probably just have to delete the sell stops. Yeah, because like it was the exact same thing as I said earlier. I said how if you break this highs, I'd be interested in a sell stop because you close below here, you can probably make your way down. But if it's breaking these highs here, I want to see how this next 5 closes here, and I'll wait for this 5 close for 4 to 5, and we may get positions then. We'll see. Because look, the 4 count can still flip here, right? The 4 can still flip, the 1 hour can still flip, for buys obviously. So let's see what happens here. Like that position was only valid if it was to flip bearish. If it doesn't flip bearish, then it doesn't really make sense, right? After breaking the highs. That was what I explained earlier. Don't worry, I'm in no positions, chat. I'll let you guys know when I have a buy or sell stop, okay? If you guys are hunting for trades or something. Two minutes though. trying to see if like what this is mirroring, because what I'm looking at right now is price could be mirroring this to the left, like this right here. This right here could be, you just use a different color. Like if you take a look at this, you could be mirroring this traffic, right? Closed below, broke down, came down, respected our support, closes back into this range here, make its way up towards like the 1878, 1879 mark. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I want to see if we can actually close above these levels here. I believe the proper resistance would probably be right here, above 1877.044, and then you can make your way up towards like 79 or even like 1880, right, as your targets here.
Yeah, if you're looking at the overall structure as well, we've come down to grab liquidity 3 times and then came up to that same zone. So yeah, can definitely take advantage of that traffic to the left when we're mirroring it.
Yeah. Yeah, above here, above this support or resistance, sorry. Cool. Then you got all of this going up. The 1 hour flips, like we're near the 1 hour flip, but we're not so near it. The 1 hour flip would be 1878, right? So think about it this way. Like if you close above this range here, where do you have clean traffic until price starts to reject because you have amount of resistance? Probably this yellow line right here, 1878 through 11. But as it drives up and fills that traffic, what it will also do is it'll also flip on the 1 hour time frame, and that's also going to be the 4 hour flip as well. So if the 1 hour is flipping and the 4 hours flipping and the previous 4 and 1 hour are both bullish candles creating that support, high chance, remember our daily target 1883. So then you have you just flip on the 1 hour 4 hour and make your way up towards the top of the next range. I'm just trying to figure out stops right now. It looks like stops may have to be like 40. I mean, I'm looking at this stop right here at the 72 mark. Are you ever close your chat? Yeah, I got on positions here, chat, for buys. So positions here for buys, off of the fact that you closed back above this range here. I just broke this down for you. Stops are below the previous count low, and then target is basically going to be up here at the 1883 mark. Okay, so this is the position we're in. I'll say like break even point again will be the 1878.8 or 311 mark. I'll say that is a level where we got to consider because there is a resistance there, but roughly with the that's where the 4 hour flips, right? So if we drive up, technically you can just move stops to break even, manage risk accordingly. Cool. Let me actually put stops here just in case.
Nice.
All right, so there's the flip at this point. Move stops to break even, and I think I'm gonna close full here my trade, right there. So
W.
Yeah, you guys can feel free to let it rock or do whatever. But I close full here, and I think I'm gonna call it a day. It's like almost 10 a.m. here. You can let it rock, let it run towards 1880, 1883 is up to you. The 4 account does flip here, so be aware. You have tons of volume, but yeah, do whatever you want to do here, chat. I just closed full there. That is the only that is the second trade we had today, and I think that's it for today for me, honestly, guys. Not a bad day. Cool. What'd you guys do? What'd you do, Keelan? You close half?
It was too quick for me, bro. I pressed my buy position, and for some reason it just didn't activate me. But it's all good. I had a nice London session.
It's because I think because you're on the wrong window. When you have 2 windows open, you gotta make sure you double click this window first before you. I just sometimes spam it.
But hey, chat, listen, this is the way you've got to be. If you know, you got to have confidence in your trading. Not every trade is going to make or break you. You know, if I miss this position, I'm all good. You know, because I know the next position is going to come round, and yeah, have a short-term memory when it comes to that.
Yeah, see, FOMO. I mean, FOMO shouldn't be a thing here.
Yeah,
Boom should
it
not
was
be a thing.
very, very clean. I would take that trade 10 times out of 10. We had the
14
breakout on the 5 and the flip on the 1 hour as well. So both time frames are lining up. It was beautiful.
Yeah, I could have closed half or like maybe 75% there, but I decided to close full and just call it. It's like 10 a.m. here. Like honestly, like I've been on charts for 3 hours. Like take my profits and just call it a day, right? But yeah, that trade there was basically 147 2023. I think it was some 5 closure above the range, same as the last trade we took about an hour ago. New York gold, oh no, NYC actually, not New York. Let's add that. NYC
Streak continues.
yes sir. Breakout, the flip, we had a pretty good entry too. It was right at the flip on the 5 and full, and then I closed full at 14 pips, right? Yeah, that trade was the trade we took. Like the past 3 trades have all been the same trades. It's a closure above the range of the breakout 5, the flip. Yeah, streak continues.
Crazy.
What's the streak right now on stream? It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 trades in the single channel. It is, man, I think it's like 13 or something. Patience though, chat. You know, we took a trade earlier, we got break even. We didn't really, we waited patiently for what we wanted. We got it. We got the bottom wick, we got the buy stops, and then yeah, that's all we did today. Patience definitely paid off. 4 hours, 2 trades, not too bad. Yeah, so this single channel is gonna be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's 12 straight.
12. That's
Yeah.
100% win rate for the 5 too, right?
100% win rate this year. Yeah, on the 5 too. Yeah,
Yeah.
not bad. Not bad.
Numbers don't lie, chat. Numbers don't lie.
Well, the year just started. Obviously, we're not gonna sit 100% the whole year, but like you know, yeah. The 5 on stream though is 88%. So we have 12 trades with the 5 minutes after chat on stream, and it's 88% win rate for our last 2022 to now to present. All right, not bad. But yeah, guys, yo, hope you guys have a good day today, chat. I am gonna call it a day. Took my profits, calling it. Thank you, guys. Leave a like on stream if you guys enjoyed that. Love you guys. Thank you. And now what else am I gonna say? Oh yeah, Wix sign stream tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern. I'm gonna go. I might hop on. Yo, are you hopping on that?
I got to trade London, so I can't be.
Yeah,
I can't- yeah.
You don't trade Asian, you sleep, no?
I used to trade Asian, but yeah, I sleep. I have to.
Alright. Word. Alright. Alright, yo, Wordo, forgot.
Wordle.
Oh yeah, Wordo. There's also one more game I want to play today because my girl brought it up to me. She's like, yo, play this game on stream. It's like a Wordo, but it's not.
I think we got 100% win rate for the Wordle this year too. So
Yes, sir.
back to back.
Yes, sir. Peace.
Mm.
Oh.
Oh my
I
god!
had it. I had it.
I thought you two-shot it. Interesting. E at the end. The PI. E at the end.
Huh? Oh, you or some shit. I know. We don't have Wix to carry us.
Yeah. It's not double E, right? No E, no A.
Some guy said, of course I go to the bathroom. I missed it in a single chat. Yo, we should go to the bathroom there, man. Shouldn't go to the bathroom there.
It's sort of more
Yeah.
understandable with a 5 minute though. It's like it's like trades every. But it was called
We got
out.
5
Though,
weeks
like,
though.
I know that's crazy. It was called out though, chat. Like we knew what we were waiting on.
What up, Kieran? My
What
boy.
up? What up? How was your weekend?
Hockey. That's Oh, I did.
There.
Just okay.
Fucking spent money on so many hot cards. You play
Like NHL,
FIFA?
bro.
You play FUT, Milan?
Yeah, bro, you got to.
You buy
you're from
packs,
the
right?
UK. Yeah, back in the day, yeah.
What's the most money you put in a season?
Oh, I want to say like $1,000.
What the hell?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like
But
we don't even make money off this, but it's just something about buying
Yeah.
cars and just having a
No.
good ass team. Man, I'm
Yeah, I
buy
think
it.
I only spent like $250.
Yeah, I was wagering my boy, so it was like high stakes. Had to invest.
Good investment. What is this, man?
I have a feeling there's an N in the third spot, but that E at the end is not throwing me off.
I want to say like PINSE.
SE?
Mm-hmm.
What was that? Nope, not a word.
Damn.
Oh,
Good
there's a
try.
Pince, but there's no C. Pince like a crab.
Happy pillow. Who else?
E at the end.
E at the end? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, I used to get it. We also broke our curse today, yo. All-time high viewers and a win.
Let's go.
Let's go. Curse is over. That curse is actually, that was one of the only curses we ever had. Something about all-time high viewers.
Preying on the downfall.
PINEE.
Any?
No.
Mm,
I was thinking maybe like some French word.
ish. Pulse. Can we pulse? Pulse would have been a good guess. Whoa, the I and O.
PI, like that's what's throwing me off. The PI and the E at the end.
Need a C here for pickle. Could be two I's, you know, like IE, like something like this.
I was thinking peon.
Pixie, that's literally a word.
Pixie.
Yeah, it is a word. It is a word.
Oh, word. Yo, chat, I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Genius in the making, in the flesh.
Oof. 3 dubs.
Three
Damn.
dubs, man.
Two dubs break even.
Yo, shout out to Kieran for the assist. I would have just been like, well, what's the word here? The W, man, with the W. Oh, yo, I want to play that one more, the other game. I forgot what it's called.
Is it like Wordle? Because my girlfriend plays a few different ones.
Nah, it's not like Wordle. It's like,
Sudoku.
you gotta guess words until the word, like,
Oh, I know what one you're talking about. You gotta. It tells you what word you gotta get to, and you gotta
Yeah,
change
yeah,
one
what's
letter
it
at
called?
a time. Let me ask my girlfriend right now.
shit, what's the game called, chat? I want to play that game real quick.
She plays one called Worldle too, and it's like geographical ones.
Word bomb? No, not word bomb. It's called something else. No, not Hangman. It's like Wordle.
Hangman.
It's not Wordle, but it's like...
Alright, let me see.
Yo, Circle, are you here? We can get that clip rolling.
Mad Libs.
No, not Mad Libs. I'll ask my girl right now too. If she replies. I played it yesterday. I literally played it yesterday.
Birdle.
Yeah, there's one called Quirtle, and you have to get like all 4 boxes. But it's not that one either.
Swirtle. People just writing random things, bro.
Nah.
You're telling me we got 1,000 people in
Oh,
here. and none
context
of you
though.
know it?
Context though. There, I got
Okay,
it.
there we go. The girl coming clutch.
This game. Yo, so say any word like anything. Just say like some random shit like
Cliche.
No, like let's like dog or some shit. Oh shit, we're closer. Usually if you go like hockey or something, it shows like you're far away, right? The closer the word is, yeah, the lower the score is. So a dog's a good guess. So let's do
Okay,
like
so it's got to be an animal or something, right?
I don't know. No, dog, wolf.
Yeah.
Eight.
Ooh.
Okay, cat, bird.
Further away. No, so it's got to be a sort of form of.
Cat.
Coyote.
Another form. Lion.
What the hell?
Oh.
What the fuck? That was so easy, yo. Nah, usually it's harder. Like, let's go to previous games. Go like this one.
Yeah, we need a harder one than
So
that,
like
bro.
hockey. Let's do trade. Actually, I'll do trade first.
Oh my god.
Stocks. Forex.
Oh my gosh.
I think we're going down the wrong alleyway. It's getting larger and larger. I think
Soccer.
hockey. Yeah, okay. Ooh.
Oh, I don't know where. See, football is not real. Okay, too late. Football is close.
Tennis.
Ooh.
Tennis,
Oh.
golf.
It's further. Rugby. RUGBY.
Cricket.
Oh no, further away.
Nah,
How's it closer to football?
it's football. Is player,
Mm.
jersey,
Ooh.
Oh.
player, coach.
Ref.
Coach is
Ooh, they're
closer.
the same. Oh no, yeah,
What's
closer.
ref? R-E-F-E-R.
Yeah,
Referee.
it's further
Oh,
away.
jeez.
Ref.
Manager?
Manager.
Team.
No, further away.
Captain.
You know it. Hmm.
Team.
55. No, we're closest coach, I think.
Closer than coach. Chairman? Yeah. Chairman. Yeah. No.
Manager. Oh, we have that one.
Yeah, that's weird.
Goal. Umpire.
Okay, we got a hard one now. Here we go.
Goalie.
No, sometimes it's really hard. Like, no, I think something closer to coach. Like,
Mentor.
yeah, that's a good guess.
Guru. I'm just listing the FX terms now. No. Coach.
Teacher.
Father, teacher.
Teacher's not bad. It couldn't be coach like, as in like the van, like the coach van. Type in car, C-A-R. No, wrong side.
Team. Play.
If you just put ball. Oh, how is that so far off? Net.
What? Okay.
Just score. Wow.
Oh,
So
I think it's
net
like
is far,
if
but
it's
score
coach,
isn't.
then it's probably like bench. I guess
Hmm.
bench.
Okay.
Did we say captain? Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Whistle.
So coach has still been our closest guess.
Scream. Yell. Loud.
Crowd.
Proud mistake. Playbook. Good guy. Discipline now. Close.
Leader. No. Wow. Scout.
Scout.
Okay.
No, it's close, but okay. Coach.
How do we not
okay,
guess boss? Oh my
Just
god.
think of what a
Train.
coach does. Like,
Trainer.
what does a coach work with? Like pencil,
Yeah. Oh my god.
marker.
Oh my god. What are they called? Physio. Physio. That's it. PHYSIO. Yeah. Oh my god. No.
Referee doesn't work. We tried that.
A trainer.
We tried that.
Linesman.
Nah, it's gotta be closer to
Yeah.
coach,
Okay.
bro.
Contract.
Player, coach.
Announcer.
Manager. Nah. Sport. Bruh.
Shot caller. Oh my god. This is tough.
This is long though. Sometimes it takes a minute.
I feel like it's so easy. We can just shoot ourselves in the foot.
Yeah, guess rhyme stuff. No, it's not. It's not referee. We tried that.
Agent. Coach,
Salary.
player, team play. Scout.
Pay.
Rules. I guess.
Money.
Job.
That's pretty close. Okay, so I think we're along the right line.
Athlete.
The job. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one.
No.
Oh, close as well. I do. Yeah. So it has to be a role.
Guide.
So just think of all the leadership roles in a sports team.
We'll make it back on stream for real. Culture. Profession.
Advisor. Oh, that.
OR.
Huh?
VI.
ISOR.
Oh,
Oh, there you go. Oh,
CO. What the hell, man?
This is tough. Coach, player, team, job. Okay.
Mentor did that. It didn't work.
You done, boss. Oh my. Just think.
What's ahead of a coach?
Owner. Because we had chairman, but we didn't have an owner.
Do we say points or score?
No, we said score though.
Instructor didn't work.
Pundit. Pundit.
What's chat saying? Club.
Oh my god, how did we not guess club? Team.
Team. Okay, I got Seems alright, guess. Worker.
I'm just thinking of match of the day. If you know, you know. I'm just thinking of all the different roles in football. Right now.
Try to do something close to coach, but not really a coach, like teacher or something. I don't know. No, I did tutor.
Job? Oh, we have that.
We did trainer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm.
That's El Chapo.
It couldn't be like a position, could it? Like striker or goalkeeper? Because we haven't tried.
No,
Okay,
that's
no,
coach's
never
poster.
mind. Yeah.
The fuck is it? We can get a little tip, but
No,
don't
no
like
tips
doing- I
around
don't
it.
like doing tips,
No
yo.
tips around it. No cop outs.
QB, commentator,
Presenter.
Buzz. I gotta step out, catch you guys. Yo, peace out, 4 and 3 goon. Take it easy, man. Take it easy. Tip out the 100
Director.
guesses. We got 9 more guesses. Scout.
Oh shit.
We did
oh,
that.
Shit. Okay. Yeah, we had scout.
Peace. Yeah, leader did that.
I'm thinking director. We haven't had director yet. You can have director of the club.
Oh, wait,
no, it is alright. It is alright, but yeah. Ah, bro.
Father, it's a boss mission. No. Mother, son, child,
I'm thinking of like
Kid.
someone that
dog, kid,
Wait, kid, what?
but
I'm thinking like
Master.
authorities.
Yeah.
Someone that's above you. So what if we did like dictator?
president.
How do kid and coach correlate at all?
Actually, wait, no, because athlete is still kind of close.
I did dad.
It has to be sports based. It has to be.
No, it can't. Well, it can, but like from 24 left, it can change. Like organized.
Mm,
Win, lose, loss.
Tournament,
yeah.
Try.
exhibition.
Patience.
Therapist.
Discipline. Husband did that.
Mm. Partner.
Captain. Partner?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Yeah. Nine, 3, 2. Oh.
Yeah. I think we gotta step out
Pass.
of the sports stuff. Like,
Mm.
I think something like more than that. It's like something that a coach does. Like,
Because the route I'm going right now is like life coach, like a therapist, or you know.
what does a coach tell you to do? See?
Well, just put teach. You put teacher.
Mm.
Lessons.
Referee, no, referee.
Lessons could be good.
Respect. Look.
Okay, this is getting better.
You look
Eyes.
Yeah, like, I don't know, hair. What does coach have? Arms, point,
Does
pencil,
coach have arms?
board, master did that, champion.
So look was 222. Interesting.
Video, watch, play.
Mm.
Follow.
Now, we got like something close to that.
Spotter. SPOTTER. Oh.
Talent. Oh my god, talent.
What?
What the hell?
How was Scout not higher on that list? Oh my god.
What was skills then? Oh, Oh yeah, skill. Wow, it was that
my
hard.
God. Talent. Oh yeah, we had talent. I was gonna say, bro. How many guesses was that?
128.
That was tough, though. That was tough. That was tough.
Creativity, creative, showcase ability. Wow, we didn't get success. Success.
Wow.
Oh, word. Yeah, this is a good game to play. We can play this tomorrow.
So not only have you got 2 dubs today, chat, you got a new game as well. So happy all round.
The Worldle one is pretty fun too. It just gives you like the outline of a country and you have to guess where it is, and it'll like tell you how close you are from your guess. It'll be like, I don't know, 11,000 kilometers away, or like 236 kilometers away.
What game is that?
It's like Geo guess, right? But
Oh,
No,
fuck.
it's called Worldle. Like that.
I guess where, like,
could hop on that.
oh, guess the country. Oh, fucking
Ooh.
no. It just looks like.
Oh, bro.
Yo, no, this is not for me, bro. This is not for me.
New Zealand. New Zealand. No, not New Zealand. New Zealand's thinner.
This is not for me, man. Great. This is not for me. Like,
Bro, if it's like Grenada, I think.
nah, this is
I
not
have
for
no
me.
idea.
I cannot play this game. This, I got a good grade in geography, but.
What?
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 Oh, it's so secret.
What?
All right, next one.
Sounds like I got a good grade in geography. Boom, 100%.
Alright.
First guess.
No fucking way.
This man is geography.
Yeah, how do I play again? That's one day. That's it.
Play bonus round, right? Oh my god. Okay.
3 border countries over Cyprus. Okay, bro. I don't know this. Like, I don't know.
Oh my god, my head.
No, I'm not playing this game, bro. That was luck. Nah, no Cyprus. I looked at Cyprus yesterday. I was searching up Cyprus. I was looking at areas around like to where to go for a trip. And I was like, Cyprus, isn't that where like everyone goes to hide their funds? Alright, chat, I'm done, so man. Good chat. Have a good day, man. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Wickstein streaming tonight. I'll catch you guys there. Alrighty.
Peace and love.
You guys had a good day? Good trades today? Yo,
You
spam the
did.
like button, chat, before you guys dip. I'm gonna need 800 likes here. Come on. What are you guys doing?
Easy.
Spam the like button, man.
Return the value given, chat. All right.
Yes,
Plenty
sir.
of value given today, so return. Make it a value exchange.
Alright, chat. Peace out. Catch you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. Thank you. I might see you guys tomorrow. Alright? Later.
See ya.
Peace.
Later.
Catch you later, boys.
Catch you, man.
Have a good
Easy.
one.
A banger. Dun, 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 dun.